Hello, everyone, and good morning, and welcome to the session where we are going to discuss majorly related to the cloud computing. And this is a day two for our multi cloud plus DevOps with AI 2.5 month program. Okay, when I'm talking about 2.5 month program, we have to discuss lot of things in the day two. In my primary agenda is like discussing about the cloud computing, but before going directly into the cloud computing, what I'm going to do it I will take first 20 minutes to explain you the data center, the problems into the data centers, what all problems came into the data center, and then after that we will move into the cloud computing. You understood? Type you into the chat box, please, everyone. Everyone, type you into the chat box. Perfect. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. And before starting our day two, I would like to see the syllabus, okay? Because we have to follow the roadmap. We are here for a mission, right? We have to complete the all the topics. So in the yesterday course introduction, let's type yes into the chat box. If you have completed, type yes into the chat box. Course intro, yes, introduction we have done. Okay, objective and outcomes means why we are learning and what will be the outcome. The outcome is straightforward. We will upscale for a better package. Okay, community meetup. Yes, we did the community meetup. We will talk even today also into the groups. Okay. A lot of people are discussing the things into the WhatsApp group as well. So that's great. Okay. After that, learning path. This is our learning path and roadmap. Yes. If anyone is still not yet bookmark this roadmap, I'm sharing it again into the Zoom chat. Okay. Into the YouTube chat. Okay. Please just bookmark it. It will be great always. Okay. After that, yesterday we talked a little bit about AWS intro. Yes, and some one or two students has asked some good questions also about the AWS. So let me clarify. Yes, what exactly you are into the part of group as well, but you are a part of group as well, but always every day I will open one thread. Okay, in the thread I will say that whatever the question you have related to day one, related to day two, related to day three, and whatever the links I am providing to you, what exactly it is, everything will be available into this. So one of the student asked, in the AWS region, for the free services, cost varies. For the free, if it's free to free, obviously, okay. But yeah, duration is also same in all the regions. But when it's a paid service, definitely the cost varies into the different regions as well. Even the services also varies. Are you agree? Yes, no? Right? This can be one of the interview question as well. Okay, so what I want, we will open this, and as well as I shared all the PPT link, summary link. Have you seen that PPT or summary, which is already in our classroom, which is already in our LMS system? Okay, so if you will see summary, the summary has been written by AI, our Zoom. What exactly happened? If you want some links, okay, everything links are also available. First day of batch 42, yeah, this all details. Okay, if you will click here next, okay, it will be technical summary, career roadmap progression, DevOps training overview, DevOps automation, and so many things. Whatever we have discussed, this all the summary, the small summary is also available, and which is available in our LMS system. So you don't have to worry. The day one recording is also day one PPT is also available here. Day one recording is also available here, as well as the day one summary is also available. So even for day two also you will get in a same way. Type you into the chat box. Yes, no, yes, no. Okay, perfect. One of the students is telling, sir, recording is not started. No worries, it's already streaming on the YouTube. If you want, I can start this recording as well. Okay, I'm recording on the this computer as well. Cool. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for informing. Cool. And now, in the yesterday session, I told one of the major important part that first 90 minutes. Okay, first 90 in the total 90 minutes. Okay, what exactly? Not this one. Mhm. Yes. Not this one. Yes. Every day 90 minutes, what exactly our plan is. Okay. First 5 minutes, we will do the quick recap. Okay. After that, we will discuss about the core concept, then move into the practical side. This is the pure agenda. Is it okay? Yes, no? That's it. Okay. So 5 minute quick revision we have done. Okay. And after the in the quick revision, what I would like to say that these things are still pending. Okay. Means DevOps part is still pending. So I'm just making it right. We will discuss the DevOps part as well. Okay. And job openings are pending and job opportunities are pending. Okay. So straightforward, I will come into my day one. Okay. For just 30 to 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay. If we are talking about the job openings. Okay. I will ask with the straightforward question. Do you know how many companies already adopted the cloud technology? Do you know this answer? Let me know into the chat box, please. Let me know. Arey, no is not an answer. Yeah, no is not an answer. How many percentage? Chalo, how many percentage? Go into the percentage. Mostly all, 90%, 70%, 95%. Yes, 95%. Yes, my God, lot of students are telling 95, 96%. Good. Okay, let me check it over the internet. What exactly the internet or Google is telling? It's telling 94% companies already adopted the cloud technology or move into the cloud. Obviously, we also have to move. That's why we are here. Agree? Yes, no? Let's agree. Everyone? Point number one. Second point, why we are learning this. Okay. Second point. Okay. If you will see that, how many first is how many companies adopted the cloud. Second question, how many companies adopted the DevOps? Again, write into the chat box. 80. Subhash is telling 80. Rishabh is telling 100%, 95%, 97, 90. Okay. Chalo, let's check what internet or what Google is telling. Okay. If you will come up here, 80 to 90% companies already adopting the DevOps technology. This is also a great part, right? Means you are on the right track. Whatever the company is adopting it, you are also moving into that side. Yes, no? Yes, no, yes, no. Everyone? भाई ये जानना इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो दिस पार्ट यस नो सर पता तो होना चाहिए कर क्यों रहे हैं दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग दिस टू यू गाइस इन अपफ्रंट ओके कूल नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिड यू नो हाउ मेनी ओपनिंग्स आर इन नौकरी ओनली इनटू द नौकरी प्लेटफॉर्म हाउ मेनी ओपनिंग्स विल बी फॉर क्लाउड और डेवऑप्स अरे गेस इट 50,000 95,000 60,000 okay 60,000. Okay. Nagraj 44,000. Nagraj is telling 4,000. Subhash is telling 80 to 95,000. Okay. 80, 90. Cool. Okay. Chalo, what I'm doing it, I'm just checking it. Lot of students will say, sir, fresher openings are not there. I'm just checking for first fresher. Okay. I'm going only into the Naukri place. And for Naukri, 94,000 some number came. Okay. And in that, DevOps engineer, something 0 to 2 years, cloud software engineer. Okay. But they're asking Python, AWS, Docker, Linux, SQL. So that's why this search query is coming for the DevOps engineer or cloud engineer role. Okay. If you will come little bit down, 4 to 9 years, DevOps SRE openings, developers openings, okay, leave it, associate, but what exactly they are asking, okay, 0 to 1 years, DevOps opening, AWS, Cloud Freshers, EC2, definitely a pure DevOps opening or cloud engineer opening, right? So I want again bookmark this. Right? Banate your bookmark because it will be very helpful for you. Yes, no? Yes, no? Agree? भाई बनाना है कि नहीं बनाना जिसको नहीं बनाना ignore it but let me give it okay or guys anyone who is taking the notes okay who is taking all the bookmarks save one person send it everything back to me और हम लोग एक जगह पे उसको सेव कर देंगे again yes this is also very important for senior person people will not ask that कि सर senior की इतनी opening है but senior also lot of openings are there and another question. So this many openings are there. इतनी openings तो हैं, but we are not getting calls. कितने लोग बोलेंगे? How many people will complain this? Me. Bhavik is telling me. Saurav is telling me. Suraj is telling. Anurag, Rishabh, Jagdish. Hmm. Okay, cool. Chalo, agree. Guys, if you don't know, let me tell you very straightforward. Naukri works on algorithm. Okay, Naukri works on the algorithm. Yes, last time in the last week we are checking for one of the student from the batch 41. He's telling he's not getting calls. And when we checked it, you know, there's anyone here, Nitish. His name is Nitish. Okay. He has updated his BPO experience into that, right? He has updated his wrong experience. If he updated something wrong, or if you will update something wrong, and you will expect that the calls will come of cloud or DevOps, so then it will not come. You have to update your resume. You have to update the actual keywords. search keywords, then only it will come. And one person is telling, sir, explain the Naukri algorithm. Yes, we will discuss that also. Okay. For that, we have to create a wow resume, then only everything will be possible. I will take a session on that. But on the upfront, भाई पहले तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए, you have to be aware about it. Naukri algorithm, how the Naukri algorithm works. So what I'm doing it, I'm giving the Naukri, I'm going into this, and everyone, please try to upload your resume here and get to know what is your current situation. Okay. NAUKR Naukri, SCORE Naukri score checker. We have to go into this place. Okay. I'm going into this place. Okay. And I'm giving this link again to you, Naukri score checker. Everyone, take a 2 minute time, upload your resume. Okay. Or anyone, one or two person, give me your resume. The resume मुझे दो, send it to me. WhatsApp, anywhere. Send it to me or upload one or two-person resume into the Zoom chat. एक दो जाने resume not created. I have already given. Santosh Yadav is telling he already given. चलो संतोष का resume check कर लेते हैं. SNTH संतोष संतोष सारंग. चलो संतोष सारंग का resume ले लेता हूँ. I am taking the resume of संतोष सारंग. Okay, download किया. Okay, I downloaded. Now what I am doing it, I am uploading into the Naukri. I'm going here. Guys, as soon as you will go into this link, you have to go into the browse option, browse, and then in the download, this is the resume. Okay, I taken it and I have uploaded it. Okay, as soon as I will upload, I will get to know where I am currently standing. This person is standing in the top 6% of the job seekers. Guys, this is wow. Okay, top 6% is good, I can say. Okay, what's your score? What's your score? Neha Patil is selling top 10%. For top या last? Neha, speak up, बोलो.
The top sir.
Top
Top.
10% में ठीक है. Nias, you are telling 39% top पर हो. Okay, what about others? Guys, everyone, check it. Please check it. अपना इसको ऋषभ भाई क्या बोल रहे हो? ऋषभ, what you are telling? 50% पे हो, top 50% में हो. Then you will not get any call. Okay, जो top 10% से ज्यादा है, they will not get any call. That's it. Okay.
So
So
how to
guys, we have
improve
to make
this?
our resume, अपने को अपना resume that much capable so that at least it will come into the top 3-4%. Okay, so that you will get multiple calls. Agree? Yes, no? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Right? So we have to be aware about it. जब हमें problems पता होंगी, when we are aware about the problems, we will make the solutions. Yes, no?
Vikas, how to improve this?
Resume कैसे improve करते हैं?
Like I checked on the ChatGPT as well. There my AT score is 92%, and here I am seeing that it is in top
Anurag.
27.
Straightforward answer. How to improve it with the good keywords. Simple. जो आता है, in a better way you have to write it. That's it. Okay. That's it. Straightforward answer. You have to write a good keywords, good technical keywords based on your number of experience. Okay. There may be chances one resume will be good for one of the person for fresher, one of the person who has a 8 year of experience. This resume may not be good for you. Right? You have to change the keywords. That is the pure answer. Understood, Anurag? Good. Okay. So many people are telling six. Ayub Alam 64% में हो. Okay. Then we have to work a lot. Bhavik क्या नंबर बोल रहे हो? Can you speak up?
Yes.
81%.
81% पे हो. Then 81% people are upfront. You are telling correct?
Hmm. Yes.
Right? अगर 81% आगे हैं तो very difficult to get a call. मतलब बहुत सारा वर्क करना पड़ेगा. You have to on your resume. Yes, you understood this point?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
And we
Can you
will do.
guide us on these keywords? Like,
बिल्कुल अयो पूरा एक सेशन लूंगा आई विल टेक ए फुल सेशन
thank you.
ओके या गुड बट हमें प्रॉब्लम्स पता होंगी, देन ओनली वी विल मेक द सॉल्यूशंस.
yes,
दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू डिस्कस ऑन द डे वन. हम लोग ये डे वन पे इसीलिए डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. ओके,
कीवर्ड्स का ही मेन है ना सर, कीवर्ड्स ही मेन है उसके अंदर।
ऑब्वियसली यस भाई, रिज्यूम के अंदर तो लिखते हैं राइट, लिखना ही अच्छे से, दैट्स इट. ओके, थैंक यू. ओके, यस, शौकत अली इज टेलिंग. भाई शौकत बहुत गंदा स्कोर आया है राइट. यस नो. चलो आई विल शो इट. ओके गाइस, वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट हैज शेयर दिस. ओके, what exactly he told, one second. One of the student has shared this part. भाई ये बोल रहा है 95% जॉब सीकर्स हैव ए स्ट्रॉन्गर रिज्यूम देन योर्स. यू अंडरस्टूड इसका मतलब क्या होता है? गाइस इंग्लिश समझ में आ गई? 95% जॉब सीकर्स आर बेटर रिज्यूम देन योर रिज्यूम, तो इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू गेट ए कॉल. मतलब तुम लास्ट के 5% में बैठे हो. करेक्ट? यस नो. लास्ट का 5% मतलब impossible to get anything, okay, or call something like that, okay, from the Naukri. There may be chances you may get from another platform, referrals or XYZ, but Naukri से नहीं आएगा. तो we will fix that also in the upcoming classes. Cool. Now, okay, उसके बाद next thing, okay, this is the roadmap which we are following it and we will do it. Cool. हमने जो पहले से day one पे start किया है, for that we will do all these things. एक बार ग्रुप इंट्रोडक्शन हो जाए, क्योंकि कोई बोलेगा सर मैं जानता ही नहीं हूँ. जस्ट राइट योर नेम, एक्सपीरियंस एंड कंपनी नेम, दैट्स इट इन द चैट बॉक्स, दैट्स इट, so that we will get to know that from which companies and how much experience you have. Okay. Ajay Singh, Sunil, 3+ year experience, Accenture, very good Sunil, welcome to my batch. What about others? Ajay, Vaishnav, ठीक है. Sanjay, 20 years experience, great. Vishal, 3 years experience. TCS, Chaitanya, 4-year experience. Ajay, 10-year experience. 9 years, 4 years, 3 years, 1.6 years, 2 years. Fresher, third year, 2 years, 3 years in fee. Okay, 6 years. QA testing, Infotech, 6 years. Package नहीं पूछ रहे अभी. 4 years, 4 years, 1 year gap. Okay, cool. 3 years. Okay, cool. 2 years, 7 years, 4 years, emphasis. Okay, 6 years, global knowledge. Great. Okay. There's a lot of people are here with a very high experience as well. Okay. So what my intention is, if you have a high experience, if you have a bigger or greater experience, what we can do it, I will expect at the last 5 minutes, everyone senior person has to speak something. Is that okay? So that what happen, other people will also learn. Is that okay? Acceptable? कि भाई क्या करते हो, व्हाट इज योर जॉब रोल, जस्ट एक्सप्लेन दैट. Okay, so that everyone will listen. Okay, everyone will listen something. Okay, and at least he can add one liner or one pointer in his actual profile. Okay, that's it. If you will speak for 2 minutes of technical things now, it's a great part. At least what will happen, your communication, your presentation skill will also improve, your confidence will get improved. Yes, no? Agree? So I will
Yes.
start from senior person. Okay. Then in the next 15 days, we will reach to the junior person. भाई practice करना start कर दो, क्योंकि if you will speak, then only you will get a job. Make sense? Yes, no? At least अपना introduction. From today onwards, everyone has to speak their introduction at the end of the session. रोज. Okay. 1 or 2% will do every day. तो next 15 days में हम लोग सबका introduction एक बार cover करेंगे. Cool. Thanks a lot. Okay. Cool.
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है सर.
शोका जस्ट वेट. हाँ बोलो, चलो बोलो.
सर अभी मैं चैट में डाला.
देखता हूँ, मैं देखता हूँ. आई विल चेक इट. ओके, नो वरीज.
मतलब जूम चैट में अभी.
शौकत आस्किंग कर रहा है व्हाट एल्स वी कैन यूज नौकरी फॉर दोस पीपल हु इज स्विचिंग द क्लाउड डेवऑप्स विल बी हाई और शी कैन ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस इट. डजंट मैटर. ओके, डजंट मैटर. ओके, if you have a knowledge skills, then only you can come into the cloud and DevOps very easily. Now I am coming here into my day 2. ये नहीं, हमने DevOps की अपॉर्चुनिटीज की बात करी और नौकरी की बात करी. ओके गाइस, कैन आई हैव योर परमिशन? इसको ग्रीन कर सकता हूँ मैं, इस पार्ट को? यस, नो?
Yes.
ओके. कल हमने कोपायलट के बारे में बात की थी, एडब्ल्यूएस के बारे में बात की थी, डेवऑप्स नहीं करा, तो आई विल मेक इट डेवऑप्स एज ए. हम लोग डेवऑप्स के बारे में टुमारो वी विल मेक इट. सो आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग इट नाउ. Our agent, cloud computing. Okay, Chalo, now I'm coming to the cloud computing. Yes, this is the pure agenda for today, and we are going to discuss this all things in the today's session. Sir, it's look too much. It's okay. भाई चाहिए पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा. Okay, हो गई जितनी बातें करनी थी. Cool. Now I'm coming here. And before going into the cloud, I would like to talk for the data center. How many people is work into the data center? Right. And what is data center? Speak up. कितने लोगों ने वर्क किया है and how many people knows data center? Go ahead. Myself, when I speak up, what exactly the data center is?
Yeah, actually, not now. 8 years, 10 years back, I worked in a data center where we've been hosted a service and cables will be connected and storage boxes, all this. And if any issues comes, we'll be raising calls to the vendor. And the other thing is like we'll be monitoring the this one, what is temperature, everything. Cooling systems, all these things, and access control will be also managed there. Will be giving a strict access to the people who are really needed for it, and we won't allow anybody into the data center at all. And many things like I was talking about the security purpose, and coming to the hardware, like there will be many racks involved in there, and there will be hang sandboxes there, libraries, tape libraries, all this will be there. Cables. It's a big environment. It's not like a simple computer.
In short, it was very difficult to manage
Correct,
hardware,
exactly.
networking,
Correct,
right?
exactly. Yes, yes.
It's when the cloud came, everything is ready-made available to you. Just adopt it or use it. Correct?
Yes,
Otherwise, in the hard data centers, we have to build everything by own. Okay?
yeah.
All networking, all what we can say, storage, racks, virtual machine, CPU, memory, everything we have to assemble. We have to take care of networking and we have to do it. Right? And it was very difficult. When I agree, yes, no?
Correct, exactly. Yes. It's very difficult to manage.
Thank
Each and every point we need to take care of. When a data center is there, it's very difficult for a customer to manage it. Why? Because each and every element, even for our point of view, it's a small thing. But for managing a data center, it's very now we are getting OS everything from the Amazon AWS or Azure, whatever it may be. But managing a data center is very, very crucial and very difficult also. Yeah, I agree.
Absolutely agree with your point, guys. Absolutely agree. Okay. Management was very difficult. Okay. Very, very difficult. Okay. Now we are going to see that difficulties. Okay. With one small scenario. Okay. एक scenario लेता हूँ छोटा सा. Okay. I will come up into that, but we will discuss. Actually, our topic is cloud computing, but I'm taking a 10-minute step back. Okay. 10 मिनट हम लोग data center में बात करते हैं. Then we will come into the cloud providers, cloud architecture, how the cloud work, physical machine, virtual machine, and so many things related to cloud. Means in short, we have to learn this all things into the cloud. In short, we have to learn this all things into the cloud. Okay, ये हमें सीखना है. If I will ask you one question upfront, how many people heard about SAS? सुना है? Just speak up the full form. बोलो.
Software as a
Software
service.
is
Ready-made service platform. PAS,
Platform as a service.
service.
right? IaaS.
Infrastructure as a service.
Infrastructure as a service.
अब यहाँ पे है ना 50% पीपल फेल होने लगे. FAAS.
Function as a service.
Function as a service.
अब एक दो वॉइस आई है, ठीक है. अभी और कम होने लगेंगे.
data as a service.
Data as a service.
Data as a service.
Database as a service. DAAS. Okay. Yes,
Storage as a service.
Storage as a service.
Storage as a service.
we can say the storage as a service. Okay. But I will tell you, out of this, in simple package terms, if you want around 10-15 LPA, just this can help you. Okay. Function as a service, serverless. Okay. He can help you out to 20-30 LPA package. इसको मैं skip करके I will skip this part. मैं यहाँ पे एक नई चीज bring कर रहा हूँ. This. बोलो क्या है? What is this? CAAS.
Code as a service.
What?
Cloud
Cloud
as
as a service.
Cloud. Wrong answer. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, ये तुमने बनाया है.
Containers as a service.
Container as a service. Docker and Kubernetes. Okay. Docker and Kubernetes can be your shortcut for your better package. Understood? तो हमें ये चीज पढ़ना है. हम लोग डेटाबेस को थोड़ा डेटाबेस विल टेक इन 1 or 2 days. हम लोग 2 दिन डेटाबेस पे पढ़ेंगे. ओके। बट हम लोग इसमें ना जाते हुए हम लोग जाएंगे CAS, जो शॉर्टकट है फॉर द बेटर पैकेज। अंडरस्टूड? तो हमें क्लाउड में भी कहाँ जाना है, वी हैव टू डिसाइड इट। Okay, thank you. And then I'm directly coming here. Okay, in the data center. Okay, so let's understand the data center. Okay, um, data center approach, issues, challenges, and problem. 4 points I will talk. Okay, let's take a very straightforward example. You have to create a one website. एक website बनानी है जिसका नाम है CloudDevOpsHub. Okay, how you will create it? Write it into the chat box. What all components will be required? You don't know cloud. Cloud is zero. अभी cloud आया ही नहीं है. We are talking about data center. What all components will be required to create any of the website? Go ahead. Write it. I will write into my notepad also. Whatever you will say. Server. Okay.
Domain.
HTML.
DNS.
CSS. Please
DNS.
write it. लिखते हो, please. Okay. Domain will be required. Okay. Server will be required. Okay. Server will be required. What else? Okay. Storage will
Certificate
be required.
SSL.
Okay.
Database.
Storage will be required. DB will be
OS.
required. Okay. Operating system will be required. Okay.
Networking.
Networking will be required. Okay. Yes.
SSL certificates.
SSL will be required. Okay. If you want to make it secure. Okay. Or HTML, developer related activities. HTML, CSS will be required. Okay. Platform will be required. Okay.
Source
Solving
code
some.
management. Office
Okay.
premises.
Okay.
Sorry, data center premises.
Okay. Source code management. Okay. Code management. कूलिंग, अरे नहीं कूलिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे मत जाओ, बहुत टफ हो जाएगा. ओके. कंपोनेंट्स. शोएब अली स्टिलिंग मनी. मनी विल बी रिक्वायर्ड. टाइम विल बी रिक्वायर्ड ऑब्वियसली. यस, बिल्कुल. ओके. मॉनिटरिंग, लैगिंग सिस्टम. ओके. लॉगिंग सिस्टम इज रिक्वायर्ड. स्केलेबिलिटी टूल्स विल बी रिक्वायर्ड. नेटवर्क्स विल बी रिक्वायर्ड. फायरवॉल्स. ओके.
Web server.
Net server, networks will be required. Okay, networking में आ जाएगा, it will be. Okay. Yes, you understood. To create any of the website, लग तो रहा था बहुत सिंपल सी चीज है, वेबसाइट बनानी है. Okay, but this all things will required. First, developer will write the code. Correct? Yes, no? Developer will write the code. फिर you will think about networking platform और कहाँ चलाना है, on which IP, which domain. We have to think it that also. Okay. If any data is there, how much data, how much storage will be there. Operating system, we have to purchase it. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम परचेस करेंगे तो CPU, मेमोरी, कंप्यूट. राइट? यस, नो? Right, CPU, memory, and all these things will be required. Then only we will install the operating system on it. That okay. We have to set up the complete networking. If we need a secure environment, we need a SSL kind of thing. Correct? So this many things will be required to create a one website. Agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
हाँ. NGINX वेब सर्वर चाहिए भाई, वेबसाइट चलाने के लिए वेब सर्वर चाहिए. करेक्ट. ऐप सर्वर चाहिए इफ यू हैव एप्लीकेशन लॉजिक्स. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के ऊपर वेब सर्वर, ऐप सर्वर, और क्या चाहिए बोलो. गाइस थिंक इट. आज सोचोगे तभी कल करोगे. थिंक इट. लोड बैलेंसर, इफ द ट्रैफिक इंक्रीज, लोड बैलेंसर विल बी रिक्वायर्ड. यस. What else? Security, yes, obviously network
NACL.
securities will be there. NSCL वो तो क्लाउड में होता है दोस्त. ओके. NSCL यहाँ पे भी होता है, चलो ठीक है. NSCL, यस. कैचे सर्वर. ओके. फास्टर एक्सेसिंग. ओके. DR, यस. DR भी बनाना पड़ेगा भाई, इफ यू आर, if the application is very critical. Static IP, we need a IP which is static, right? So guys, you understood this many things will be required to create a one website. Yes, no? Yes, no?
Yes.
चलो ठीक है. अब इन सब के लिए if I have to do all these things, okay, पहले तो मुझे if I want to install वेब सर्वर, ऐप सर्वर और ये सब चीजें, तो I have to go for shopping. करेक्ट. शॉपिंग पे जाके मुझे खरीद के लाना पड़ेगा. यस, नो? इफ आई एम इन डाटा
Yes.
सेंटर, right? Or if I will take any of the person, let us assume Vishal or Shaliram, okay, he has to go. First I have to give the money, okay, 20,000-30,000 rupees or 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees, okay, to purchase this all softwares, or not this all hardwares. Okay, फिर उनकी configurations will come. Right, तो मुझे I need an experienced person who will make this all configurations so that it should be up and running. Correct. फिर I need a system admin person जो ये सब चीजें इंस्टॉल करेगा और make it accessible. Agree? उसके बाद web developer will come, okay, or any of the web developer or any of the admin person will install all this thing and create a website. Yes, no? Or software engineer will come and create a website. Yes, no? Yes, you understood kitni problems hai yaar? How much difficult it is? Can you tell me how much time will be required to complete all these things in a data center approach? How much time? Nagraj is telling 1 year. Sanjay is telling 3 months, 1 month, 1 year. Acceptable, acceptable, acceptable. So many people are telling 3 months, 6 months. So yes, chalo, I will take 3 months. Okay. 3 months will be required. How much will be the costing to make the one website up and running? Costing, cost. Now cost lakhs, 10 lakhs.
Yes.
Okay. 10 lakh is too much, man. So I'm telling 2 lakhs. 2 LAKH. 2 lakhs will be approx. Yes, is that okay? Yes, no, everyone? Just say speak up, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, lagega.
Okay.
You have to do all these things. Okay? This is the reality of data center 10 years back. 10 साल पहले ऐसे ही होता था. Or otherwise, we have to choose the data center or hosting provider. We will send a request or inquiry. Bhai, we want to do something. Okay. Then he will send you some quotation, and based on negotiation will happen, and approx 24 hours they will take, and then discussion will get started. पहला solution. Okay. Second solution, either you can go by own, do the shopping, purchase from some websites, okay, based on your need. If you purchase good, correct, well and good. If you let assume you purchase by mistake and something different, then again it's a problem. It's completely waste of money. Agree? Yes, no? Sir,
Yes.
this is not fulfilling my requirement. So again, this is a big loss. Otherwise, you can take on a rented basis also. This all hardware we are taking 10 years back, rented basis as well. In the rented basis, yes, what exactly will happen? We have to send a quotation. Their engineers will come and they will fix it in our data center or in our small data center room. Okay. And based on that, they will make the charges. For everything, we have to raise a ticket. It may take 2 hours, two 2 days to respond. Okay, Saturday, Sunday, leave, matlab leave. Okay, they will respond, and then if any changes will be required within 15 days, this server may get replaced from one server to another server. Make sense? You understood the difficulties, right? It was happening into the data center. Okay, it was happening to me also. हो सकता है maybe. Okay, I acceptable. Okay. Now, if any equipment failure, communication failure, power failure, network failure, or any of the problem happen, guys, then what is the solution in data center? कुछ भी problem है. What is the solution?
We have to visit data center and we need to look there itself.
Correct. सबसे पहली step, भाई, go to the data center and troubleshoot it. Correct? Yes, no. Physical presence into the data center is required. राइट बाय 24/7 हमें पावर मेंटेन करना है, कम्युनिकेशन मेंटेन करना है, एंड सो मेनी थिंग्स मैन. ओके, यस, ओके, दिस वाज द प्रॉब्लम. एनी प्रॉब्लम हैपन, ओनली फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन इज यू हैव टू गो टू द डेटा सेंटर. ओके, कूल. नाउ अज्यूम चलो एक सिंपल एग्जांपल लेते हैं. दिस इज माय लैपटॉप. ओके, दिस इज माय लैपटॉप. In my laptop, I have two. Some people say, "Ki, Vikas, you have to start from basic, very basic." I'm making it from very basic. Okay. Let assume my laptop is at this point 32 GB RAM. मेरे laptop की 32 GB RAM. Yes, no? I want to increase. Is that possible? I can increase. कोई मुझसे बोलेगा कैसे होगी? How can I increase?
Yes, you can increase.
No, not possible. Laptop not possible. You have to replace.
Replace. What replace? मेरी
Hardware.
requirement है
The
RAM
RAM.
increase करने की.
You can
My
extend
requirement
the
is I
RAM.
want to. Hmm?
You can extend the RAM.
You
Yes,
can
sir.
use other
It's
RAM.
possible,
Because
sir.
OS will not support based on
So
laptop
it
configuration.
depends. So
That
it
depends on the
depends.
configuration, whether it
Depends
will
on your
support or
configuration.
not.
How
How
many?
much it will
How
support,
many?
how many slots are used.
How many slots are there? That is main thing.
I will say upfront, I have only 2 slots. मेरे पास 2 slot है. Okay, और दोनों full है.
तो 16
Okay, तो I
16 की जगह
cannot
पे
add
32
anything.
32 करूँ.
एक ही जगह पे 32 लगाओ, दूसरी जगह पे फिर से 32 लगाओ.
32
Okay,
लगाओ.
चलो.
Right.
Guys, Janatan, wait. Janatan is telling, okay, Vikas purchase 32 GB and purchase 232 GB. Okay, दो 32 into 2 की
32
कर
GB.
लो, है ना? 2 into 32 GB. Okay, ठीक
But
है
again,
इसमें how much?
again that
Wait,
that needs
Janathan, just write into the chat box. Okay, Janathan is selling 2 into 32 GB, so around it will take around 8,000 rupees costing to me. Okay, correct, obviously. Okay, and then Janathan is telling दोनों 16 जो नहीं दो all 16
8 नहीं
GB
ज्यादा
की
है सर.
अरे छोड़ दो कोई बात नहीं 16 GB I have to remove and throw. करेक्ट, वो तो मुझे फेंकना पड़ेगी, वो
हाँ,
तो अलग
वो
अगेन
यूज नहीं
लॉस हो
होगा.
गया. यस यस नो. तो 16 जीबी की जो मेरे पास है 16 इंटू 2, अगेन इट्स अ लॉस फॉर मी. ओके, एग्री गाइस, एवरीवन एग्री, यस नो?
And one more thing I would like to add is वो normal motherboard support नहीं करता ये. So gaming
So
motherboard
suppose
gaming
see
वाला चाहिए.
now this 32 GB
ये
if
मे-
I
ये मे- मेरे
purchase.
मेरे पास है ये इसलिए
Janathan,
मुझे पता है.
wait. Janathan, let me. Okay, let us assume I purchase. Janathan has given a suggestion. I purchase 32 GB, and now my hardware is not supporting. So again, this is a loss for me. Yes, no? You are understanding the limitations, guys. You are
Yes.
understanding the limitations, everyone. Right? It's not like ki what we
Absolutely.
think ki I need it, I can do into my physical machine or physical data center. Now, if I need my requirement is I need a 64 GB, I need it. Okay, so I have to replace motherboard also. Correct? Yes, no?
Yes.
Right? I have to replace motherboard.
Yes.
Point number one. Okay. Now there may be chances this thing may not be comfortable with this new memory or new motherboard. Yes, no? So there may be chances I have to change this as well. Agree?
Yes.
Guys, yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
So you are understanding the problems. You are
Yes, sir.
understanding the problems for the physical data center management. भाई एक लैपटॉप तो मैनेज कर सकते हैं, but I needed 1000 laptops like this. तो वो मैनेज करना it will be very difficult. Correct? So
Impossible.
this all problems happened 10 years back. ये सारी problems 10 साल पहले होती थी. Okay? Changing, increasing our resources, decreasing our resources. Let us assume मेरी big billion sale आ रही है. Okay, if my big billion sale is coming, okay, in my website, so what I have to do it? I need 100 servers. तो मेरे को purchase करके I have to set up everything. और if the big billion sale gone, तो वो servers का what I have to do it? It's a waste for me. Agree? Yes, no? So
Yes,
scaling
yes.
was very difficult. Okay,
Yes.
scaling was very difficult with data center model. Okay. Yes, so this all problems happen, this all challenges happen, and this challenges has been solved by the provider cloud. Cloud has solved this problems. Okay, cool. अब इसको और समझते हैं. Okay, there are multiple problems. If you are using or not using, we have to pay the rent. Yes, no, agree? If you created a data center, using or not using, you have to pay the rent. You have to pay for power supply, cooling, and maintenance as well. Guys, yes, no, everyone.
Yes.
If hardware replacement will take a very long time, hardware को change करना है, replacement is taking very long time. Scaling is limited. We cannot increase the number of services. Okay, 24 bar monitoring support team is required on the physically or online as well, right? If any disaster happen, earthquake, power shutdown, this type of problem, this problem, we have to deal it. Guys, agree? Type agree to the chat box. Yes, no?
एंड फॉर डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट डीआर साइट भी बनाना पड़ेगा
Like
because
इसका
data
एक पूरा
chunk
का
is
पूरा
large.
replica.
Yes.
We have to make a replica for DR also in different location, right?
Yes, yes,
Another
exactly.
city, right? Yes. Let assume पूरे Bangalore की lights नहीं है, तो then again it's a problem. So you have to make it into the different city. Again, it's a problem.
Sir, DR क्या होता है
Whatever is the problem, whatever is the problem, we have to solve it. Guys, you are realizing the problems? Yes, no? This all problems we 10 years back, whoever has experience, this all problem they have faced it. Okay, if this all problems faced, now we have bring up some solution, or some solution came, that is straightforward, a cloud came into the picture. Okay, cool. Guys, able to understand? Yes, no? समझ में आ रहा है डेटा सेंटर्स की प्रॉब्लम? कोई ये मत बोलना सर शो इट प्रैक्टिकली, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, क्लाउड में सब प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे. Okay, you understood the problems. Okay, now I want you all to be on the camera. आ जाओ दोस्तों, सब लोग कैमरे पे आ जाओ please, because we are starting the cloud now. Come up on the camera, come up on the camera, everyone. आ जाओ. Everyone, Shoker, Neha, everyone. Cool, thank you, thanks a lot. Okay, now we will move into the cloud side. Okay, ये problems. If anyone want to add, guys, raise your hand and speak up the problems of data centers. Speak up, please.
सर डेटा सेंटर में बैकअप लेना बहुत कॉस्टली थिंग है दैट्स
Agree.
मोस्ट कॉस्टली थिंग मेंटेनेंस ये पूरा अलग रहेगा एसी कॉस्ट
Correct.
पावर
Maintenance is also very difficult. Agree. Yes.
they will charge
Uninterrupted
for
power supply will be required.
they will charge
Yes. If
per
the
square
guys
feet
write it, guys, humble request, write it, please. लिखने की कोशिश करो. Okay. Because if everyone will speak, it will be difficult. Okay. Khalid is telling power supply we have to maintain. Agree. Cooling we have to maintain. Or follow problems. Cost, yes, cost. Troubleshooting is very difficult. Upgrading is very difficult. We needed dedicated internet lines, dedicated internet connections. Okay. Costing will be always high. Monitoring teams, manual work, physical security is required. My God, online security is required. Guys, you understood the problem? You understood the thing? CCTV required, yes. Dual power backups are required. Yes, consumption, power consumption, using or not using is required, right? AC will be required, UPS will be required. Yes, guys, this many things will be required. Okay, this many things was a problem. That's why the cloud came into the picture. And welcome to the cloud session. Okay, now if I will ask you very simple question, what is cloud? What is cloud? Simple answer.
The over the internet, whatever the like keep over the internet, there is also cloud. Like we keep the
Accessing something with the help of internet is known as cloud.
cloud.
Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Accessing any server with the help of internet is known as cloud. Okay. Cool. In short term, there is no cloud. Actually, में कुछ physically, if cloud word is not available, okay, but I can say it's just as someone's else server, computer, or machine. Accessing over the internet is known as cloud. Understood? Yes, no? Someone's else machine, किसी का machine है वो. Okay, machine can be CPU, memory, disk, database, anything. Okay, you are accessing with the help of internet is known as cloud. Ideally, clouds are accessible through the internet. One point. Okay, basically it's a someone's else machine instead of your own machine. तुम्हारी machine नहीं है, किसी और की machine है, you are accessing it. That is cloud. So, एक simple example. This is one mac.clouddevopsHub.com. This is one of my machine. ये मेरी एक machine है. Correct? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, no? For you, it's a cloud machine. Yes, no? कह सकते हो? Yes, no? You can call as a cloud
Yes.
machine. You can call as a virtual machine. Yes, accessible over the internet. Internet पे ये चल रही है. I'm giving the link. I kept just dummy machine. Okay, to show. Okay. Yes, एक machine है accessible over the internet is known as cloud machine. You guys agree? Yes, no? Type you into the chat box. समझ में आ रहा है? Everyone. You, अगर अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा है तो long you. आ रहा है बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स को आ रहा है. लतिका को आ रहा है, संजय को आ रहा है, शौकत अली, वेरी गुड, सुभाष, निकिता, संजीव, दीपेन, परफेक्ट, थैंक यू. ओके, सॉफ्टवेयर. अब इसके अंदर आते हैं हम लोग. सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशन है डेटाबेस रन ऑन दो सर्वर्स. सॉफ्टवेयर चलते हैं, एप्लीकेशन चलती है और डेटाबेस रन ऑन दिस क्लाउड सर्वर्स. ठीक है. क्लाउड सर्वर्स आर स्टोर इन डेटा सेंटर. क्लाउड सर्वर्स जैसे हम क्लाउड कहते हैं, दिस आर आइडली, अगर बहुत सारे मशीन्स हैं तो वी विल कॉल एज ए सर्वर्स और डेटा सेंटर्स, राइट? आइडली बहुत सारी मशीन्स को अगर वी विल पुट इनटू वन प्लेस तो दैट इज बिकम अ डेटा सेंटर. यस, नो? इट विल अगेन बिकम अ डेटा सेंटर. Not managed by us, managed by someone else. Managed by someone else. Okay. And important part, with the help of cloud computing technology, we can able to use this servers. Cloud computing technology, we can able to use this server. I will come into the cloud computing. Okay, no worries. Okay. You know, if you don't know, we have multiple cloud providers into the market. Multiple cloud providers means multiple providers who is giving this their data center on a rent. तो हम लोग उसको कहते हैं cloud provider. Yes, no? Acceptable? Data centers are there. Okay, machines are there. They are providing their machines on a rent. They are providing their machines on a rent. So the name has been came, that is a cloud provider. and welcome. These are the different cloud providers are available into the market. Yes, no, these are the cloud providers into the market. Yes, no, everyone. Okay. After that, if these are the cloud providers, their services we are using. ये तो cloud provider हो गया Amazon. Okay, Amazon is a cloud provider. Amazon has multiple services. Google Cloud has a multiple services. Using of this service is known as cloud computing. Type you into the chat box or speak up. बोलो खालिद भाई बोल दो क्या समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. Accessing these services over the internet is a cloud.
Correct. Accessing someone else's computer with the help of internet is known as cloud. Okay. Second point.
The virtual system is called
If
cloud
multiple
services.
machines are there, it will become a data center, right? If that data center can be accessible with the help of internet, that's why we are treating as a cloud provider, correct?
Yes, cloud
And
service provider.
this data centers has been created by multiple companies like Amazon, Azure, Google Cloud, Oracle, IBM, and so many things, right? और जब हम इनकी services we are using, that is called as cloud computing services. Like 100% समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, no?
Yes, yes.
Very basic size. ये सब 10 साल पहले पता होना चाहिए था. Very simple. 100%. Can I get 100% till now?
Yes, sir, like till now, what have we discussed? Like challenges of the data center. Now everything will be taken care by this service provider, right? Like Amazon.
All the problem will be solved by cloud.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
hello.
good.
But sir, they are also facing this issue now, which issue we are facing.
They are facing तो उनके पास dedicated team है. They will solve the
Right,
problems.
that's what I'm saying.
Right? वो लोग उनकी problem solve करेंगे. Amazon वालों ने especially ये problem लेने के लिए data center बनाया है.
Dedicated teams भी हैं और अलग अलग availability zones हैं.
Right,
We
right.
can manage the
Correct.
DR also.
For me मेरे को एक वेबसाइट चलानी है. तो for me it's not possible कि मैं ये सब पूरा डेटा सेंटर मैनेज करूं. करेक्ट? मुझे तो सिर्फ एक वेबसाइट
Right,
चलानी है.
right.
Right? So I cannot spend 10 lakh rupees for data center related things. That's why the small companies also groom up. Small startups groom up when the cloud came 3-5 years back. How the startups came into the market because cloud came. उनने बहुत सारी problem solve कर दी. If you are using, pay the rent and use it. तो yes, everyone has tried his own solution. सबने अपने solution try करे. किसी का चल गया तो वो unicorn बन गया, $billions में कमा गए. Agree? Yes, no?
Right.
That's it. चलो अब बात करते हैं और आगे चलते हैं.
सर अभी कल मैं ऐसी रील स्क्रॉल कर रहा था तो वहाँ पे मतलब मैंने देखा था काफ़ी सारे उसने अपने डेटा सेंटर में कर रखे थे मतलब बेसिकली मतलब वो एडिटिंग का स्टूडियो चला रहा था तो एक पूरा उसने घर पूरा डेटा सेंटर से था तो मैंने कमेंट किया कि यू शुड अवॉइड ऑन प्रेमाइसेस एंड गो फॉर द क्लाउड तो उसका कमेंट भी आया था
हो सकता है बिल्कुल
बट सर
accessible.
बहुत दिक्कत होती होगी मतलब अब तो फिर भी काफ़ी सही है क्लाउड्स आ रहे हैं पहले तो बहुत दिक्कत होती होगी
Cool. Good. Thank you. Thanks for speaking, Santosh. Chalo, now I'm coming here. Okay. Now, in the cloud computing, two major things are. अब इनके नाम बताओ. Cloud computing के दो नाम बताओ. Very basic interview question. भाई अगर cloud बोलोगे ना कि I know cloud, हो सकता है वो पूछेगा how many types of cloud you know, what are the models of cloud. तो my first question is models of cloud computing.
Public,
और यहाँ पे
private,
इंटरव्यू में तुम फेल हो जाओगे.
Hybrid cloud.
Service model and
Cloud.
deployment model.
Hybrid, public cloud.
Public and private
Yeah,
cloud.
types of that is types of cloud. नहीं मेरा क्वेश्चन types of cloud नहीं model of cloud है. Model of cloud.
There are two types.
See, there are so many students they feel, sir, I know so many things.
hybrid and
Deployment and service as a models.
Correct. There are two models are there, service model or deployment. Okay. ये freshers से पूछ सकते हैं, बाकी no one will ask, but yeah, this type of question maker. Okay, so be ready, guys. Okay. So when I'm talking about two models, there are two models. One is deployment model or service model. In the service, ये सब services है, IaaS, PaaS, SS. Okay. और these are the deployment model, public cloud, public hybrid and private cloud. From the name itself, 50% लोगों को तो I feel कि understood कि what exactly the public cloud is, what exactly hybrid and private cloud. Let's talk 5 minutes for this and then 2 months for this. Agreed? Right? अभी 5-10 मिनट इस पे बात करते हैं, उसके बाद तो पूरा इधर ही बात करना है, CS, FS, DS, everything. Cool. Okay. What is public cloud in simple keywords? What is public cloud?
Where I can access all the people over the internet. Okay, whatever the like accessible for the everyone, that is called public.
Wait. अच्छा आंसर नहीं आया, चलो wait, मेरा okay.
Anyone can
Wait.
access.
Wait. अभी आता हूँ. Okay. Before that, let me tell you some more things about cloud computing. Then उसी पे चलते हैं. Okay. Cloud computing, when I'm talking about cloud computing, is a combination of service model or deployment. Okay. Cloud computing is a combination of service model or deployment model. Yeah. Okay. और इसी की 200 services are available in AWS. 200 services are in GCP also. 200 services in Azure as well of cloud computing. इन्हीं की services बनी है. Okay. Cool. Now, if I will ask you in a very simple way, छोड़ो, ignore. Okay, ignore. Yes. How cloud computing works? Basic question. Cloud computing work कैसे करता है दोस्त? बोलो. Guys, मैं तुम्हारा फाउंडेशन बना रहा हूँ. बोलो, cloud computing work कैसे करता है?
Models and services and virtualization.
On demand and pay as you go model. On demand.
Virtualization.
Asha,
And it is
very
giving
good.
platform to run code.
अब मेरा turn. Okay. Cloud computing works based on virtualization. Virtualization has been enabled. Okay. कि भाई मैं तुम्हारी चीजें एक्सेस कर सकता हूँ. Okay. We are giving the permissions. Means cloud computing is possible because of the technology called virtualization. कि भाई virtually access कर सकते हो. How the remote jobs can be possible because company has allowed you to work virtually. Agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Same way. How the cloud computing is possible because of the virtualization. In our laptop, there is the option called virtualization. कहाँ है? ढूंढ के बताओ. In our laptop, if we want to make our laptop publicly available over the internet, there is the option called virtualization. कहाँ पर है? मैं बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ. आई एम आस्किंग वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. कोई टफ क्वेश्चन नहीं है. Okay, I am going to my laptop. आपने आई एम कमिंग टू माई लैपटॉप. मेमोरी में आया, नहीं मेमोरी में नहीं है, सीपीयू में. सीपीयू में यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन है वर्चुअलाइजेशन इनेबल. ओके, इनेबल. तो गाइस टेक एज ए होमवर्क आराम से, जिसका डिसेबल है. एनीवन हियर जिसका डिसेबल है वर्चुअलाइजेशन? एनीवन, किसी का डिसेबल है इन योर लैपटॉप पीसी? होगा यार, एक बंदा तो होगा जिसका डिसेबल होगा. इनेबल है ऑलरेडी. वेरी गुड अजय. डिसेबल वाला बंदा बोलो. जय निगम बोल रहा है डिसेबल है. ओके ठीक है. ओके, इनेबल है. ओके, लतिका डिसेबल है इनेबल है ये बताओ यार. मी क्या होता है? मी से तो मेरे को नहीं समझ में आएगा. इनेबल है. ओके गाइस, इफ एनीवन हैज ए वर्चुअलाइजेशन डिसेबल, टेक एज ए होमवर्क अपने बायोस में एक वीडियो देखना यूट्यूब पर, हाउ टू मेक वर्चुअलाइजेशन इनेबल इन योर कंपनी. तुम्हारे लैपटॉप का कंपनी का नाम डालना जो भी है, लिनोवो XYZ मॉडल, और उसका एक वीडियो देखना बायोस में जाके. उसको बायोस में जाके ओनली वन सेटिंग यू हैव टू चेंज, इनेबल, सो दैट इट विल बी इनेबल. This is enabled with the help of this. मेरी एक IP होगी. If I will give my IP, you can able to access my laptop. Yes, no? Remote connection इसे कहते हैं. Right? Yes, no? This is possible. Virtualization is possible. That's why cloud computing works. Point number 1. Okay? Virtualization क्या होता है? Accessing someone's hardware is known as virtualization. Type U into the chat box, guys. Okay? Because of virtualization, accessing someone's machine is known as virtual machine. If I will give my machine access to you, my machine, my laptop will become a virtual machine to you. Agree? Yes, no? भाई समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है?
Yes, yes.
Everyone. So I can say in short, this Mac machine is a virtual machine for us. हमारे लिए machine एक virtual machine है. Yes, no?
Yes. This is not a physical machine, but it's called a virtual machine.
ये फिजिकल मशीन है, कहीं पे चल रही है XYZ. ओके, एंड वी आर एक्सेसिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंटरनेट एंड आई सेट अप अ DNS नेम ओवर दैट. तो दैट इज वर्चुअल मशीन. ओके, एक और है, ये लैब हो, ये हो गई. अब आई हैव अनदर वन, labs.clouddevopshub.com. ओके, ये मैक मशीन थी. दिस इज अ मैक मशीन. दिस इज अ लाइनेक्स मशीन. Ubuntu मशीन आ गई है. यस, नो? एग्री?
Oh, yes.
समझ में आ रहा है? इसे कहते हैं वर्चुअल मशीन. अभी बनाएंगे वर्चुअल मशीन, 2 मिनट बाद बनाएंगे, बट यू अंडरस्टूड दिस इज वर्चुअल मशीन. ओके, cool, thank you. Now I'm coming here. उसके बाद और अंदर चलते हैं. Now there are cloud computing को छोड़ते हैं अभी अपन लोग. Yes, when I'm talking about deployment models, there are 3 or 4 major varieties of deployment models are available. Just write the names. देखो, write the names. Public cloud. नहीं, public cloud. What is public cloud? In simple one line answer. चलो, अब हम लोग बात करेंगे पब्लिक, प्राइवेट एंड हाइब्रिड क्लाउड पे. स्पीक अप. व्हाट इज पब्लिक क्लाउड? जिसको बहुत अच्छे से आता है. यस.
So public cloud we can access through publicly, and there will be no data, personal data that we can change in AWS and Azure.
नहीं, wrong answer, wrong answer, wrong answer.
However, the services are hosted in the cloud and accessible easily for the everyone. That is called public cloud.
Orgach.
Cloud services provided by some third-party cloud provider. That is public cloud. Yes.
Think it like you have to give this answer in interview. If interviewer will listen, guys,
accessible to every user.
wait. There will be chances. Okay, if you will say public cloud is accessible by publicly. Okay, if you will say this can be a wrong answer. Okay, chalo, I will say.
Public cloud is
Wait, my turn. Okay, public cloud, I can say in simple, shared cloud. Okay, multiple people, independent people can work into the same cloud. That is called public cloud. Okay, low cost will be low, maintenance will be low, unlimited scalable, less secure. Okay, but accessible for multiple people. Means I have created one data center, multiple people are accessing that cloud. That is called public cloud. So जो मेरी virtual machine है mac.clouddevopshub.com, okay, you can say that it is on the public machine, right? Public virtual machine. It is available on the public cloud क्योंकि मैंने उसे पूरी open छोड़ रखी है. Agree? Understood?
It is like a third-party service provider.
Yes, everything is a third party service provider. Okay, सब कुछ third party में ही आएगा. Okay, cool. Second thing, private cloud, accessible privately, जो सिर्फ मेरा होगा. Correct?
Within a private.
Simple example. You are staying in hostel. Okay, hostel में रहते हो, तो hostel is a public place, right? In the hostel, you take a private room, जिसमें तुम्हारा अकेले का room है. You are only one person staying in that room. So that is a private room. So you can say it's a private cloud. There, your rules, your regulation, your security things will work. मतलब तुमने बोला मैं 2 लॉक लगाऊंगा तो you can make 2 locks, right? So your rules, your security, your what we can say, your maintenance or your activities will be taken care in the private network because that is a private to you. Okay, only you will allow कि I will allow what we can say Saliram, so Saliram can only come into that network. Otherwise, if I block everyone, it will be blocked for everyone. That is called private network. Hostel का एक private room where single sharing room. Yes, no, private network. Understood? Okay. Now next thing, hybrid cloud. Public, private, and next is hybrid cloud. What do you mean by hybrid cloud?
Combination of public and private.
Combination of public.
Combination of
Public or private दोनों हो, public or private दोनों हो, right? या something is on the from the one cloud provider or something from the different cloud provider, right? Mesh, 2 hostel है और दोनों की एक common mesh है, right? तो hybrid हो गई, right? Okay, it can be public, private, सबका combination हो गया. Another is community cloud. What do you mean by community cloud?
Specific group of people will utilize that.
ग्रुप ऑफ सेम इंटेंशन पीपल. लेट अज्यूम मेरी और नागराज का सेम इंटेंशन है, हम दोनों की कंपनी एक जैसी है. ओके, तो वी कैन शेयर आवर रिसोर्सेज प्राइवेटली बट इट विल कॉल एज ए कम्युनिटी डेव. अंडरस्टूड गाइस? यस, नो?
Yes.
तो देयर आर 4 वेराइटीज ऑफ क्लाउड्स आर अवेलेबल. एनीवन जिसको नहीं समझ में आया? एनीवन नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड?
थोड़ी बैकग्राउंड नॉइज आ रही है सर.
बैकग्राउंड नॉइज. गाइस म्यूट एवरीवन. सब लोग म्यूट एवरीवन. मैंने सबको म्यूट कर दिया. गाइस म्यूट. क्लियर? बैकग्राउंड नॉइज क्लियर? All good? Okay, guys, if any background noise came, please don't just write into the chat box. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, so this is public cloud. I will give this PPT थोड़ी सी definition देखना. Just read the definition of private cloud. Read the definition of what we can say hybrid cloud. Okay, read the definition. That's it. Okay, now Vishal, Vedant, just give me some time. Okay, let's learn it now. And we have already come into the cloud. There are some cloud computing benefits are there, like fast, fastly accessible, scalable. Okay, we will reduce the data center costing. हमारी पूरी cost will be removed. Okay, we will improve our business. हम लोग business में दिमाग लगाएंगे instead of our hardware management. Yes, no? Agree, guys? Write into the chat box. Agree? Yes, no? We will focus on our business, scalability, applications. We will improve our application instead of managing our hardware, underlying hardware. Okay, cool. We will enhance the business values. Okay, we can focus on business values. Okay, backups are very easy into the cloud. Okay, what we can say, edge networks are very easy. Edge network, when I'm talking about the edge network, you all are my customers, I can say. Okay, you all are my clients. There may be chances some clients are from Canada, some clients are from US. Okay, so what I can do it, I can create a edge network. My main server is hosted, yesterday we decided in Mumbai. Okay, my main server has been hosted in Mumbai for your recordings and all these things. But some students are from Canada and some students are from the US as well. So what I can do it, I can create a edge location. भाई हम लोग के सेंटर लोकेशन क्या बनेगी? What will be the center location for US और India? एक सेंटर लोकेशन आती है हमेशा एज नेटवर्क. फ्लाइट भी अगर तुम्हें यहाँ से जाना है तो इट यू विल गो हियर एंड देन यू विल गो हियर और यू विल गो हियर एंड यू विल गो हियर. व्हाट इज दैट लोकेशन? UAE. So what I can do it, I can create an edge network in UAE, right? So it will be accessible for most of the people. Understood? Yes, no? This is called edge network. अगर if I'm on the data center, अगर मैं data center पे हूँ, let us assume if I'm on the data center, do you feel कि मैं UAE में जाके अपना personal data center I can create it? No, man, it is not possible. Not possible. Okay, with the help of cloud only, we can able to achieve it. Scale storage will be very flexible. Okay, 100 GB is required, 1000 GB is required, 10,000 GB, petabytes, hexabyte of data is required. It is very flexible. We can go into the cloud and we can take it. Okay, mobility, remote work is possible. How mobility or remote work? Yesterday, we created our data center into the Mumbai region. हमने अपना data center मुंबई में बनाया था. But I am accessing everything from Bangalore location. Remotely, it is available, right? These all different data centers are available and I can access from one of the place, single place only. Yes, no? Yes, no, yes, no? Agree? Right? So I can access from one of the centralized location of one of the place. I can access all the different data centers. Cool. Okay. So these are the some benefits of cloud computing. Guys, now write some more benefits, whatever you feel. Write some more benefits. कुछ और benefits लिखो. Whatever you are feeling, किससे ज्यादा भी कुछ benefits हैं.
Because sir, I have one question.
भाविक पहले थोड़ा सा लिख दो ना प्लीज. Benefits.
Okay.
Backups are possible. Yes. Cheaper. Yes. Cloud computing is very cheap. We just have to pay the rent of our services. Correct. One of the student is asking, what is edge network? I told edge network, let assume edge network is a middleware network or middle network कि जहाँ से host करके it can be accessible to another place. I took an example that my website is hosted in Mumbai location, but my US customer want to access it. So I can create an edge network into the Dubai region and it can be accessible from Dubai to US also easily. Okay, that is called edge network. Okay, pay as you model, correct? जितना यूज करेंगे यूज होगा. Okay, we can clone it easily. Scalability is easily. Okay, less chances of losing a data. Yes, because it can be available in multiple different regions or countries as well. Okay, no need to maintain the on-premises data center. Perfect. Faster deployment. Yes, at least no maintenance. Okay, everything is added into the rent. Automatic updates, very high securely. Perfect. What are the disadvantage of cloud? Now tell me the disadvantage of cloud.
If internet got down, everything got down. Disadvantage of the cloud.
I am being understood. What can you write into the chat box? What you're trying to say? Disadvantage. Required internet connection. That is yeah, that is must. Okay, to connect anything virtually, internet is required. Okay, this can be a limitation. I can say if down, all down. No, yeah, no. Cloud cannot be down. Very less chances it may be down. Okay, the data is not in our control. Data is in our control if you will take a private network. No physical access. हाँ ये हो सकता है कि physical access नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, cool. Little bit security issue can be, but that is very difficult. कि security issues will come. No hacking, waking, no कुछ नहीं होती. Okay, चलो, I will tell the one of the reason the cloud disadvantage which I understood from you guys only. Okay, you some of the student or some of the companies says we have taken something on the rent and we miss to remove it. We miss to delete it. We are not using it, and there may be chances we have to pay the rent for that also. Understood? Yes, no? Guys, getting my point? We are trying, we have taken it, we forgot it कि हमने वो ले रखा है, and if it is running from couple of days, couple of months, there may be chances we may have to pay the rent because we have, what we can say, we have taken it. Okay, so yes, this can be one of the disadvantage, but यहाँ पे हमारा monitoring system should be there so that it can be fixed easily. Yes, all good till now? All good?
Yes.
Now हम practical करते हैं. Okay, एक scenario है. Okay, the scenario is same. We have to create a website. Okay, इस type की website. Yes, something hosting on the cloud. Something it should be hosted on the cloud. Okay, we need all these things. Yes, we may need all these things. Okay, to create any of the website. Now, what I'm doing it, I'm taking it in a very simple way. Okay, to create any of the website with the help of cloud and DevOps technology. Just with the help of these 6 steps, just with the help of 6 steps, we can able to achieve it. These 6 steps in simple way, I can say here. First step says go to any of the cloud provider. किसी भी cloud provider पे जाओ, AWS, GCP, Azure. किसी भी cloud provider पे जाओ and create a one virtual machine. Guys, you understood the step 1, step 2? एक provider पे जाओ और create any virtual machine. Yes, no? Yes, no, yes, no. Right into chat box. Right? Third step, I'm telling कुछ tools install करने हैं, like Docker, and then download the website data, HTML, CSS वाली चीज. Okay, create a container with the help of Docker and run the website. एक वेबसाइट बनाने के लिए otherwise one option, ये सब चीज गैदर करो. Okay, make a 6 month of time and do it. Otherwise, second option, go to any of the cloud provider, AWS, GCP or Azure, and create a one virtual machine. How many people are here who never created any virtual machine till now? जिसने आज तक कभी कोई virtual machine नहीं बने? Just type never into the chat box. Never. My God, lot of students are there. Never, never, never. My God. Okay, no problem. आज तुम्हारी एक पहली virtual machine बनेगी. Okay, we will create it today. Okay, so what I'm doing it, these are my 6 steps to create any of the virtual machine. Okay, with the help of this, I will explain you IAS, PS and SS in the next 20 minutes. Okay, IAS, PS or SS समझाना है मुझे in the next 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to any of the cloud provider, कोई सा भी, AWS, GCP, Azure. Today I'm going directly into the Google Cloud. Okay, you don't require any account. तुम्हें कोई account की जरूरत नहीं है. No need to worry. Okay, just see me in the from the Monday onwards. We will create accounts. Okay, so I'm going into one of the place that is console.cloud.google.com. As soon as I will come up here, as soon as I will come up here, this is the home page of the Google Cloud. Yes, this is the home page of the Google Cloud. In the home page, my billing is visible. My Google Cloud related basic components will be visible here. Make sense? Yes, no? Very first interview question from the scratch. Okay. In the Google Cloud, everything starts with the project. In the Google Cloud, things start with the project. Interview question: how to create a project into the Google Cloud? Google Cloud में project कैसे बनता है? Write it into the chat box. Zero किसी को नहीं आता? No one?
अरे सर वो मार्च 2022
विनोद
पेड
विनोद रुक
लिखा
जाओ
है ना
विनोद
उधर
2 मिनट विनोद जस्ट रुक जाओ विनोद रुक जाओ 2 मिनट 2 मिनट people are asking what is the question. Okay, my question is how to create a project in Google Cloud. This is my this is one of the very basic simple interview question. How to create a project? You are starting something from very scratch and you have to create a new project. कैसे बनेगा? सनी पहले मशीन क्यों बनेगी भाई? पहले प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है। मेरा क्वेश्चन है पहले प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है, तुम बोल रहे हो मशीन बनानी है। माय क्वेश्चन इज हाउ फार इज मुंबई? तुम आंसर दे रहे हो सर दिल्ली में फ्लाइट मिलेगी मुंबई की। भाई ये कौन सा आंसर हुआ? वी क्रिएट अ वर्चुअल, अमीज भी वही बोल रहा है क्रिएट इंस्टेंस फर्स्ट। भाई मेरा क्वेश्चन है प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है।
Click on new project.
बस 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 यू नो आंसर कम्युनिटी वेट यू नो आंसर वेट गलत आंसर देने दो स्टूडेंट्स को, देने दो अभी थोड़ा। गंगाधर बोल रहा है गूगल अकाउंट में जाओ, ठीक है। एक बंदा बोल रहा है क्रिएट अकाउंट इन जीसीपी।
Vikas, can you please show the path that how to reach out to this console? Click once, open a new tab.
आई विल टीच यू द अकाउंट क्रिएशन, नो नीड टू वरी, अभी सिर्फ देखो।
We need
ओके
to
अभी
go to
सिर्फ देखो।
the project selector, the top navigation. Like there
ओनली
will
वन पर्सन, विनय हैज गिवन द आंसर। विनय बोलो कैसे करना है, कहाँ पे क्लिक करना है, वेयर हैव टू क्लिक?
they will be having a project. This one, what to say?
कहाँ है बताओ, कहाँ है, वेयर इट इज, ये बताओ कहाँ है।
Click on the Mark 22 paid.
ओके पे
Yeah.
मार्च 22 पेज पे। ओके मुझे इस पे
Yes.
क्लिक करना है, दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रोजेक्ट। ओके
Correct.
ये यहाँ पे लिखा है प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है मार्च 22 पेज, तो आई हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट। मैंने
Project.
जैसे ही यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट पे क्लिक किया, दिस मेनी प्रोजेक्ट्स आर ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
On
10,
the right
अराउंड
side,
10
you will be
प्रोजेक्ट्स आर
creating a
ऑलरेडी।
new project. On
करेक्ट,
the right side,
माय रिक्वायरमेंट इज आई वांट टू क्रिएट ए न्यू प्रोजेक्ट। तो यहाँ पे एक बटन आ रहा है न्यू प्रोजेक्ट पे।
you need to
ओके
name it there.
आई क्लिक ऑन द न्यू प्रोजेक्ट। कौन हु इज हेल्पिंग मी? विनय इज हेल्पिंग मी।
Yes.
विनय प्रोजेक्ट। ओके तो मैंने यहाँ पे नाम दिया विनय प्रोजेक्ट। ओके इफ दिस अकाउंट बिलोंग टू एनी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एबीसी XYZ TCS एनी कंपनी, तो यहाँ पे मैं अकाउंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेलेक्ट करूंगा एंड आई कैन क्लिक ऑन क्रिएट। व्हाट हैपन? माय प्रोजेक्ट बन गया। इज दिस टफ? गाइस टेल मी, ये टफ था?
No.
ये टफ था क्या? ये बताओ, मेरा प्रोजेक्ट बन गया तो
No.
मेरा क्रिएट प्रोजेक्ट हो गया, प्रोजेक्ट बन गया। अच्छा हाउ मेनी पीपल आर थिंकिंग ये नया है, कितने लोगों ने न्यूली सीखा? बोलो न्यू, जस्ट टाइप न्यू इनटू द चैट बॉक्स। न्यू, माय गॉड। See, you know, interviewer can reject you in very simple way also. Just know बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन पूछेगा और he can reject you. ये बहुत सिंपल सा आंसर था। ओके अब someone is asking into the chat प्रोजेक्ट क्यों बना रहे हैं? भाई वी आर स्टार्टिंग ए न्यू बैच, तो हम लोग इसके लिए न्यू प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हैं, हम अपने सारे रिसोर्स इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर रखेंगे। अंडरस्टूड? यस नो? दैट्स इट। व्हेनेवर वी स्टार्ट समथिंग न्यू वी हैव टू क्रिएट ए न्यू प्रोजेक्ट, बस। लाइक ए फोल्डर, वेरी गुड भरत, लाइक ए फोल्डर, मैंने एक नया फोल्डर बनाया है। कूल, आई कैन क्लिक ऑन दैट और मैं सिलेक्ट कर सकता हूँ। ओके आई कैन सिलेक्ट दिस प्रोजेक्ट ऑल्सो विनय के नाम का। ओके कूल, नाउ चलो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट अ स्मॉल प्रोजेक्ट। ओके वेरी गुड। सौरभ ने इसको कंपेयर कर दिया है रिसोर्स ग्रुप इनटू द अज्योर। अगर अज्योर में जाओगे तो उसको कहते हैं रिसोर्स ग्रुप, जीसीपी में कहते हैं इसको प्रोजेक्ट। अंडरस्टूड? यस नो?
Azure पे
भाई याद रखना
सब्सक्रिप्शन
पड़ेगा।
है सर,
हाँ जनार्दन
रिसोर्स
ये
ग्रुप लिए
सब्सक्रिप्शन,
सब्सक्रिप्शन।
हाँ पेड है, सब्सक्रिप्शन बेसिस। ओके नाउ गाइस अनदर थिंग, इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन। अब इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन आएगा।
Sir, if
जनरल वेट,
project is deleted, so all the resource will be deleted from the project.
यस अगर हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट डिलीट करेंगे, ऐसे परमिशन नहीं होती कि कुछ भी डिलीट हो जाए इन द रियल टाइम। ओके बट यस इफ आई वांट टू चेंज द प्रोजेक्ट, देयर आर मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट्स आर हियर। आई कैन अगेन गो इनटू दिस ऑप्शन, मार्च प्रोजेक्ट पे क्लिक करा, आई कैन गो टू अनदर प्रोजेक्ट और मैं यहाँ से सिलेक्ट कर सकता हूँ वेट वेयर एवर विच प्रोजेक्ट आई वांट। Okay, so their project related resources will be visible. Now, interview question: why we are creating this different projects? We can put everything in one project also,
To
right?
keep things segregated.
Keep
to
keep
to uh,
keep
to
the team
different
managed easily so that
say
we
for
can
example, production
Let's
development
see.
like
I
that
will.
we'll be having.
Guys, some people has a very bad mic. उनका mic नहीं चल रहा है. Okay, so please write it into the chat box. Okay, full. Yes. Now people are telling कि keep the specific data. Yes. कौन सा data? Dev environment, QA environment, production environment into separate. Yes. No. Organize
Correct.
करने के लिए हमें करना पड़ता है. Agree? Yes. No. Dev project, QA project, ABC project, XYZ project. Okay. Data का project, application project. तो it will be separate. Okay.
एक
Now
क्वेश्चन है
I'm creating. Khalid, wait. I'm creating now. I'm creating a virtual machine. मैं अपने यहाँ पे एक virtual machine बना रहा हूँ. Okay. These are the three dots here. यहाँ पे तीन dots हैं. Okay. उस पर click किया. And then I will come into the compute engine. और यहाँ पे मैं एक VM instance बना सकता हूँ. Otherwise, I have this search bar. I can click on here and I can create a VM virtual machine or VM instance, and I can come into the virtual machine homepage. This is the virtual machine homepage. How many machines are visible here, guys? कितनी machine दिख रही है यहाँ पे running? One is already up and running. Okay. Yep. So what I can do it, I can delete this machine. मैंने उसको delete भी कर देता हूँ. I can delete it. मैंने उस machine को delete. Okay. I deleted this machine. Okay. How to delete it? यहाँ पे three dots पे गए. Delete का option आता है. Delete. And I can delete it also. Okay. Delete it. Now my requirement is I want to create a new machine. I'm creating one new machine. Here the option is coming create instance. As soon as I will click on create instance, okay, one template has been opened in front of me. एक template मेरा in front of me. Anyone here who told कि सर मैंने कभी नहीं बनाई? Never. Just type never. No, I will take his name. उस बंदे का नाम लेता हूँ, वो मशीन बनाया. किसी ने आज तक नहीं बनाई है? चलो, अजय और संदीप. अजय संदीप मुझसे बात करो. अजय एंड संदीप टॉक विथ मी.
यस सर संदीप देसाई।
संदीप कभी मशीन नहीं बनाई गूगल क्लाउड में?
नहीं सर नहीं बनाए।
आज बनाए? टुडे?
हाँ बनाए सर। हाँ
Okay, with the name Sandeep. Sandeep, कितना पैकेज चाहिए? How much package you are targeting?
अराउंड 15-18 सर।
15 LPA. Okay, 15 LPA. Okay, and this machine will be created in the based on latency. This or different data centers are coming, but at this point I'm taking as a default because संदीप ने कभी नहीं बनाई. Okay, दोस्त यहाँ पे एक नई चीज आ रही है. Chrome. Can you guess ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? ये क्या है?
Which type of mission we need to use?
AI assistant।
AI assistant. We can tell to the machine कि मुझे संदीप नाम की मशीन चाहिए, यूएस एड्रेस में चाहिए, इतनी
Requirements.
सीपीयू इतना सीपीयू मेमोरी चाहिए. We can write it here or machine will be created. You don't need to fill this template also. Guys, getting my point? Yes, no,
यस सर।
right? So AI prompt Gemini came into the picture into the Google Cloud. He can help us to create a machine also. In the future classes, we will see. Okay. Now, संदीप, which one is the most popular operating system available into the market? सबसे popular operating system कौन सा है? Free and popular.
लिनक्स।
Ubuntu.
लिनक्स।
Linux.
उबुंटू।
Ubuntu. ओके, तो देखो तुम्हारी हेल्प करने वाले बहुत सारे हैं. ठीक है, Ubuntu. तो आई एम सिलेक्टिंग द Ubuntu operating system. UBUNTU. Okay, Ubuntu. अब in the Ubuntu there are multiple versions are available. Okay, कौन सा वर्जन हमें चूज करना चाहिए for the production environment?
24.04.
For the
whichever is
production
the
environment.
latest।
लेटेस्ट।
जो भी लेटेस्ट
लेटेस्ट
वाला हो।
लेटेस्ट बट LTS वर्जन जिसका लॉन्ग टर्म सपोर्ट हो. Okay,
ओके।
which can be available for next 1 or 2 years into the production environment. Okay, so I'm taking the version. यहाँ पे मैं सर्च कर रहा हूँ LTS. Okay, when I search LTS version 24.2 has been came, but उसके दो वेरिएंट came आए. दो वेरिएंट. Okay, नहीं ये मिनिमल है. Okay, ये रहे. Two variants came, ARM और 86. अब इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है गाइस? इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ARM एंड 86?
चिपसेट।
सर आर्किटेक्चर एंड प्रोसेसर का।
सुधीर का आंसर रीड करो. रीड द आंसर इन सुधीर आंसर इन चैट बॉक्स. एक इंटेल प्रोसेसर और एक ARM प्रोसेसर. अंडरस्टूड? यस, नो?
यस सर।
So can you repeat? One is Intel processor, ARM processor. If I will take ARM, यहाँ पे ARM प्रोसेसर आ जाएगा, Ryzen family. Okay, if I will take 86, ARM or what we can say Intel processors will come. ये समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, no,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
no, yes, no. आ रहा है? Okay, cool.
और ARM का एक बार और बताइए।
ARM is a Ryzen processor. Ryzen's. Okay, Ryzen. Okay, ARM दो प्रकार के प्रोसेसर्स आते हैं, Intel प्रोसेसर और ARM प्रोसेसर. You can check in your laptop also. Mine is Intel processor i7. Guys, किसी का Ryzen है? You can just take the screenshot or send it into this Zoom chat. किसी का Ryzen या डिफरेंट हो Intel के अलावा? Yes, ARM Ryzen प्रोसेसर. तो वैरायटी ऑफ प्रोसेसर कंपनीज आती हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंपनीज होती है with that. Understood? वेदांत समझ में आया?
Yes.
Good. Thank you. So yes, and what is the size is required? Sandeep, any number between 10 to 50? कोई सा भी एक नंबर बोलो.
32.
कितना? 30.
32.
Okay, so 30. I am taking the size of the 30 GB. Okay, cool. Select करा. So this is my operating system related configuration. Okay, cool. Now I am coming to the networking and I am allowing the traffic. मैंने यहाँ पे traffic allow कर दिया. Okay, so that I can connect with the help of internet. Let's type you into the chat box. You into the chat box. समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, I'm repeating from starting. Machine में गया Sandeep. I just given a name Sandeep 15 LPA. I took all the default configuration. Only one click here. Second click, I click on this change and यहाँ पे मैंने I selected the Ubuntu. I selected 24.4. I selected 30 GB and I click on select. So I selected the operating system configuration. This is my second part. All good till now? Just guys type good into the chat box. सब ठीक है? अजय को ठीक है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट आई एम कमिंग टू द नेटवर्किंग. मैंने यहाँ पे अलाउ किया एचटीटीपी और एचटीटीपीएस ट्रैफिक. ये तुम लोग जो चैट में पहले बोल रहे थे ना कि सर नेटवर्किंग सेटअप करना है, एनएससीएल सेटअप करना है, राइट? दिस ऑल थिंग्स आई एम डूइंग इट. एसएसएल सर्टिफिकेट करना है. इफ आई क्लिक ऑन दिस, मेरा इंटरनेट विल बी अलाउड, ट्रैफिक हैज बीन अलाउड. ओके, और उसके बाद आई क्लिक ऑन क्रिएट. जैसे ही मैंने क्लिक ऑन क्रिएट किया, माई मशीन इज रेडी. मेरी एक मशीन बन गई. Sandeep, you told you never created a machine. The machine is created. Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Guys, how many people are telling new कि उन्होंने नया सीखा आज कुछ? How many people are telling new? वेदांत, go ahead, क्या क्वेश्चन है? New.
The new virtual machines created under March 22 paid for
करेक्ट.
project,
हाँ, इसी
right?
प्रोजेक्ट, करेक्ट, इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर ये मशीन बनी है. करेक्ट, बिल्कुल सही. एग्री.
सर
Just
इसमें
wanted to
सिक्योरिटी
clear.
नहीं चाहिए क्या?
इसमें सिक्योरिटी, सीक्रेट की,
सीक्रेट की
वो
सीक्रेट की
एडब्ल्यूएस का कॉन्सेप्ट है दोस्त. वो एडब्ल्यूएस का कॉन्सेप्ट है.
अच्छा
ओके, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. थोड़ा सा
जी
डिफरेंट है. ओके, गुड. बट यहाँ पे हियर ऑल्सो इट इज रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, यहाँ पे एवरीथिंग इज ऑटोमेटेड. Everything is automated. I will show you. Okay, I will show you.
सर
Okay.
सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप है क्या
जैसे
इसका?
AWS में 6 मंथ या 1 ईयर का फ्री होता है, इसमें भी है क्या?
Yes, 3 months free. 3 months free. अभी बनाएंगे. We will create it.
ओके.
GCP account. 3 months free.
नहीं, क्योंकि जब आप बना रहे थे ना, साइड से एक अमाउंट लिखा रहा था $27 में, इसलिए ऑब्जर्व.
करेक्ट. ओके, तो माइन इज पेड अकाउंट. मेरा पे हो गया क्योंकि मैं हर बार फ्री नहीं यूज कर पा रहा था. 6 month बैक मेरा 6 month मतलब फ्री मैंने तो 10 years पहले ले लिया था.
ओके.
Got it?
या थैंक यू सर.
Right? तो आई विल हेल्प यू आउट फॉर फ्री अकाउंट. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी.
सर, मेल आईडी चेंज कर लेते तब भी रिकॉग्नाइज कर लेता है कि ये
मैं
सेम ही
कहाँ से
यूजर.
लाऊंगा इतनी ईमेल आईडी? बताओ. फ्रॉम वेयर आई विल टेक एवरी मंथ?
नहीं नहीं
कहाँ से लाऊंगा ईमेल आईडी? ये बताओ.
नहीं सर, ये मशीन के आईपी एड्रेस से डिटेक्ट कर लेता है कि सेम यूजर.
See, they can do it, but I cannot bring hundreds. मैंने last 10 years से use कर रहा हूँ, right? I cannot bring every time new email. तुम लोग करना ना यार. You can do it. Okay, cool. Okay, now my machine is created. Okay, now my machine is created. Now, how to log in into this machine?
SSH.
कैसे SSH करना है? How to do it?
टर्मिनल.
सर राइट साइड कनेक्शन दिखा रहा है सर. राइट.
IP address
Yes.
with IP address.
I have to click on SSH button. Okay, SSH पे click करा. Guys, as soon as I click on SSH button, my public key,
सिक्योरिटी
private
ग्रुप
keys
में
are
एनेबल
getting
करना पड़ेगा.
transferred. Mansoor, wait, guys, mute. As soon as I click on SSH button, my public keys, private keys are getting transferred into this machine. And with the port number 22, I will be landed into the machine. आ गया मैं machine के अंदर. Okay, some people will say क्या हो गया? I will close it again. Okay, I closed it again. Okay, now what I'm doing it, I'm clicking on SSH. As soon as I click on SSH, my पब्लिक की प्राइवेट कीज आर गेटिंग ट्रांसफर्ड, जिससे एक्सेस होता है मशीन को. ओके, दिस गेटिंग कीज आर गेटिंग ट्रांसफर्ड, वैलिडेशन एंड वेरिफिकेशन इज हैपनिंग automatically, connection is getting established, and with the port number 22 I have landed into the Sandeep machine. Sandeep machine के अंदर विकास यूजर आ गया है. अंडरस्टूड? यस नो?
सर हमारे सिस्टम से हमारे टर्मिनल से कैसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
करेंगे, अभी मैं उसका एक्सेस दूंगा, सिखाऊंगा, जीसीपी सिखाऊंगा. ओके
ओके सर.
गाइस, ये अंडरस्टूड हुआ कि हाउ टू एक्सेस इट, राइट?
Yes.
नाउ ये विकास यूजर है. ओके, दिस इज विकास यूजर. एक बेसिक इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन. ओके, व्हाट इज दिस टिल साइन? ये टिल साइन क्या है? बोलो, व्हाट इज दिस टिल साइन? ये साइन क्या है?
रूट डायरेक्टरी से.
Current
Root
directory.
directory.
Home
राइट
directory.
राइट 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 इनटू चैट बॉक्स. लिखो लिखो, चैट में लिखो, लिखो लिखो लिखो. गाइस 50% आंसर्स आर रॉन्ग. 50% आंसर्स आर रॉन्ग. जो रूट लिख रहा है ना, वो गलत आंसर है. दिस इज नॉट ए रूट. दिस इज
User
होम.
yes.
दिस इज ए
Sudo.
होम लोकेशन ऑफ विकास यूजर. ये विकास यूजर की होम लोकेशन.
It is
अंडरस्टूड?
sudo.
Yes.
This is a home location of Vikas user. Okay. अब second thing. Okay. Second thing. I want to make the change this Vikas user to the root user. How can I do?
Sudo I.
sudo sh.
Sudo hyphen I. No, sudo hyphen I. Okay. As soon as I click, now I came to the root location of root users. I change the user to the root user, but the location is still same. Understood? Yes, no? I change the user to root. मैं अब currently I am into the home location of the root. Understood? Yes, no? Yes, no, yes, no?
Yes.
Now, very
Can
basic
you repeat the
interview
statement?
question. Bhavik, one second. Very basic interview question. One more last question of the day. Okay? हम लोग ये practical कल करेंगे. No need to worry. Okay? What I'm doing it? How to change this home location to the C drive or the root location of my machine. Okay, मुझे अपनी see, I want to come into the C drive of my
CD
Linux
hash,
machine.
CD slash.
CD space slash.
Okay, so
Change
I want to
directory
come
and
into
which
this
directory.
location. I want to come into this location of my Linux machine. How can I do? With the help of
CD space slash.
cd slash. Okay, now let's see the difference. Very simple, guys. अगर आता है तो बी साइलेंट. इफ यू फील कि सर मेरा 10 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है और सीडी स्लैश आता है तो बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. ओके, बी साइलेंट. ओके, नाउ आई चेंज द लोकेशन. करेक्ट, आई चेंज द लोकेशन. आई केम इनटू द रूट लोकेशन ऑफ द रूट फोल्डर. राइट, रूट इज a यूजर, रूट यूजर की रूट लोकेशन पे आ गया. अंडरस्टूड? यस, नो? रूट यूजर, रूट लोकेशन, आई केम. Earlier, root user home location. If I type ls means listing. What will happen? Can anyone guess? क्या होगा यहाँ पे?
लिस्ट आ जाएगी इसकी जो भी इसके अंदर सिस्टम
दिखेगा.
लाइब्रेरी.
Whatever is inside, we can get to know.
It will list all the directories.
FSH आ जाएगा.
सारे
Another
सारे
एक बार
फोल्डर
बोलो,
आ
guys,
जाएंगे.
guys, see, guys, don't repeat again and again. Okay? एक बार बोलो बस, ठीक है? If I type ls, enter मारा, my root location के अंदर whatever the folders are there, it will be visible. What is the technical word of this? इस location का technical, what is the technical word of this location?
Listing.
FSH.
Please write
Whole
into the chat
directory
box.
is come.
System files.
Please write into the chat box. 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 Write into the Prakash answer is correct, guys. This is called file system of Linux. Okay, this is called file system of Linux. Okay, when we will start the Linux, हम लोग ये सारी चीजें समझेंगे. Understood? Yes, no? Understood? Good. Okay. Guys, I'm not doing the complete practical today because आज नहीं हो पाएगा. I want to go basics also very strong. Okay, अभी हम लोग basics पर हैं. Yes, no?
सर मेरा एक
Yes, no?
क्वेश्चन है.
Yes, yes, no, guys, we are in very basics. Okay, हम लोग बेसिक्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना चाहते हैं. तो व्हाट आई डोंट वांट कि मैं जल्दी में तुम्हें फिनिश करूं चीजें. नो. ओके, आई वांट टू टीच यू एवरी बेसिक थिंग्स. Okay, when the Linux will come, you will not feel कि यार कुछ बहुत new है. Agree? Yes, no? Make sense? Agree? Right? Because I want to change your 5 years, 10 years of kachra experience, like what we can say, sales experience, XYZ experience into the technical things. So I'm going very slow. Is that okay? Acceptable? Guys, acceptable? और कोई बंदा बोलेगा not acceptable, तो I will accept that also. Acceptable or not acceptable?
Much needed, sir.
रोहित नहीं समझ में आया क्या बोल रहे हो?
I'm saying much needed. Go slowly.
करेक्ट. ओके, करेक्ट, क्योंकि हमें कोई जल्दी नहीं. कोर्स स्टार्ट करने का इंपॉर्टेंस रहता है. यू हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन द एक्शन. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन? अब हम लोग इन सब चीजों को एक एक बेसिक से, वेरी बेसिक्स, वी विल अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. करेक्ट? गुड. गाइस, नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वाज द सेशन. कैसा था सेशन आज का?
हाँ सर, वेरी गुड.
Guys, can you write a one line of feedback into the WhatsApp group? One line feedback into the WhatsApp group. How was the session? Everyone, one liner feedback into the WhatsApp group.
सर बैकग्राउंड में जा रही.
They're not able to write down in WhatsApp. Hello.
Guys, I'm back. No worries. Okay. I'm just asking, how was the feed? How was the session? Can I get a one-line feedback from everyone? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Okay. I'm just checking the feedbacks. Okay. Cool. Okay. Cool. Yes, so many students are writing something very informative. Great session. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. Okay. And guys, some people will ask, Vikas, where is the recording? Okay. How many is recording? So I will tell you again. Okay. I will tell you again. Okay. Just give a second. Okay. Yes. As soon as you will come to my website, this recording is already available into the LMS system. Okay. Okay. This recording will be available into our LMS system, www.clouddevopshub.com. But today's recording is also available on YouTube. Here it is streaming. Okay, here यहाँ पे stream हो रही है ये. 20 people are watching there. Here is a link. Okay, which I am giving to you. Here is a link for today's session. Okay, is in better if you guys write the feedback into this link. Will be better कि how was this session? Day 2 session. Day 2 session कैसा था? Can you write a feedback into this so that everyone can able to see? Okay. And now, guys, I'm not into the latest group. I mean, you will, if you are a paid student, you will get added. No worries. Okay. अगर तुम हो, if you are in one of the group, that's okay. एक group में हो बहुत है. Okay. Cool. Now, guys, you can just write a small one-liner feedback कि how was the session. Okay. यहाँ पे सब कुछ दिखेगा. Okay. Feedbacks. I'm not able to see any comments. I don't know. Yes, you are getting connect comment option. Yes, no.
नो सर, कमेंट ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है.
नहीं आ रहा है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. चलो देखते हैं उसके बाद में. लेट मी चेक द डे 1. ओके, आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ कंप्लीट प्लेलिस्ट फॉर यू आल्सो. ओके, ऑन द YouTube प्लेलिस्ट पे चलते हैं. ओके, ये रही बैच 42 की प्लेलिस्ट. ओके, हियर इज डे 1. एक बार देखते हैं डे 1 पे कमेंट आ रहा है क्या. ओके, या डे 1 पे कमेंट आ रहा है. ओके, यू कैन राइट द कमेंट इनटू द डे 1. Okay, that how was the session so that you will understand, people will understand, or whoever will watch, not watching the recording, he will understand that things are important. We have to understand the basics also. Okay, cool. Now I would like to talk with you guys. Go ahead with your questions. बोलो क्या questions है?
Sir,
I
LMS
have one
system में
question.
Guys, एक guys, make a habit. Raise your hand. Raise
Yeah,
your
I have
hand.
raised.
Bhavik is raising the hand. Bhavik, बोलो. What is your
Yeah.
question?
Sir, there are two questions. One is related to the edge network. Now, edge network is like a new data center, a new cloud data center we are creating to make the data
See,
available.
edge network is a centralized location all over the world. वहां से accessible easily हो जाता है. Let's take an example. We want to go to UK or US. तो edge location is Dubai. तो वहां पे दुबई में first halt will come and then it will go to into that place.
तो वहां
Correct?
पे कुछ
एक तो
डेटा सेंटर होगा.
Correct. Obviously, it is a data center. It is a data center. Okay.
And
Yep.
another question is related to the Linux that
Page
you have changed
location
the,
collection of server आता है ना.
you have changed it.
Guys, you can write into the chat box. Guys, please make a habit, write into the chat box, please. I will take all the things. Yeah, Bobby, go ahead. What is your question?
Yeah, you have changed the user to root, right? Now
Mhm.
the earlier the home location is for Sandeep, right? So
Correct.
after changing the user to root, now that home location is still Sandeep, or it is changed to the root's home location.
Okay, चल, let me take this practically again. Guys, see, little bit भाविक is a question. मैं उसको थोड़ा practically देख लेता हूँ, दिखा देता हूँ. Okay, what I'm doing here, I'm logging into the machine. I'm logging into the machine. Guys, see everyone. Okay, आशीष शर्मा NSCL हम लोग सिखाएंगे. I will teach you NSCL. Okay, no worries. Okay, cool. I'm just connecting to the machine, guys. You can have a look into this. Okay. Now, his question is, this is a home location. Yes, this is a home location for Vikas user. As soon as भाविक बोलो, अब क्या करना है?
Now you can just change it to the root user.
Change it to root user. How can I do it? With the help of sudo hyphen I.
Yes.
Okay. So with the help of sudo hyphen I,
Terraform.
guys, everyone listen. Guys, please, everyone, सब लोग सुनो. Okay. With the help of sudo hyphen I command, I become a root user. Perfect.
Root user,
Now,
yes.
अब क्या question है?
अब जो ये रूट यूजर का होम लोकेशन होगा वो संदीप का ही होम लोकेशन होगा या फिर वो रूट यूजर का खुद का होम लोकेशन होगा?
रूट का होम लोकेशन हो गया. मैं ये सब चीजें लाइनेक्स में सिखाऊंगा. आई विल टीच इनटू द लाइनेक्स क्लास. ठीक है. पूरा भी लाइनेक्स का एक हफ्ते का सेशन इज पेंडिंग. ओके. तो ये दिस ऑल थिंग्स वी विल लर्न इनटू द लाइनेक्स क्लासेस. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
Okay, cool. तो yes, this is the home location of root user. उसके बाद if I will type cd slash, now what happen? I will change the location to the root. Okay.
Root.
अब ये root user का root location आ गया. That's it.
Okay.
भाभी understood? समझ में आया?
Yes. Understood.
Thank you. Next question. Next person. Yes. Next person. बोलो.
सर संदीप दिस साइड.
हाँ संदीप बोलो. संदीप कैसा था सेशन पहले बताओ.
सर बहुत ही बढ़िया था सर.
समझ में आया? 100% हैप्पी? सेटिस्फाइड?
हाँ सर. हाँ सर,
ठीक है. बोलो.
सेटिस्फाइड, फुली
बोलो.
सेटिस्फाइड. और
क्वेश्चन.
ये VM क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ सर मैं.
नहीं अभी नहीं करना
इसमें
संदीप. अभी नहीं करना. नो अभी नहीं करना. मंडे को करेंगे.
ओके.
ओके. जस्ट आई वाज
ठीक है
शोइंग इट.
सर.
अभी नहीं. मंडे को करेंगे. ओके. मंडे से यू विल डू द प्रैक्टिकल्स विद मी.
ठीक है सर.
Vikas,
ठीक है
one
सर.
question related to yesterday's Visual Studio.
ओके. हाँ बोलो.
Which
मैंने
one? How can we validate for which extension we need to use for Visual Studio?
ऐसा कोई which see based on your requirement you will install the extension into the Visual Studio.
No. Say for example, right now, yesterday we are creating a Kubernetes. Say for example, cube.pod we are using. Cube.spc we are using. So as a layman, how can I understand like which one I can use all these things? Okay, if I know
भाई इसके
Kubernetes.
लिए see विनय for that तुम्हें पूरा Kubernetes पढ़ना पड़ेगा कि कब pod की जरूरत है, कब deployment की जरूरत है, कब services की जरूरत है. Agree?
Okay, we need some basic things first.
करेक्ट. बेसिक नहीं. पहले तुम्हें कुबरनेटिस का वो स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पार्ट था. ठीक है. तो पहले तुम्हें कुबरनेटिस को समझना होगा कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द नीड इज, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द रिक्वायरमेंट इज. बेस्ड ऑन इट विल होगा. करेक्ट. अंडरस्टूड?
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन
नहीं अंडरस्टूड. अरे विनय अंडरस्टूड? यस नो?
Because I lost the net for 1 second. No issues.
कोई बात नहीं.
I'll go through the recording and I will get my.
Cool. Okay, sure. Next question. Yes,
Sure,
raise
sure.
your hand.
Yeah.
Raise your hand, please.
सर वो टर्मिनल एक बार ओपन कर दीजिए सर दोबारा.
Go ahead. Question बोलते हो. Yes, I have opened the terminal. Yes.
एक्चुअली सर मैं ये जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि आपने वो जो VM है वो क्रिएट किया संदीप 50 LP वो नया VM बना. बट यहाँ
ये नाम है.
विकास फॉर क्लाउड सर ये कैसे आ रहा है? ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट कर रहा है क्योंकि हमने
कंफ्यूजन
तो
है. चलो
नया वो.
गाइस अभी सी आई विल टीच. ये सब मैं तुम्हें लाइनेक्स सिखाऊंगा. ओके. चलो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इट. मैं यहाँ पे आ रहा हूँ. ओके. नाउ विकास इज ए यूजर नेम. विकास यूजर नेम है. विकास मेरा नाम है. ठीक है. और संदीप इज ए मशीन नेम. तो ये इसी तरह से लिखा जाता है कि विकास यूजर संदीप मशीन के अंदर है. तो इट विल बी रिटन लाइक दैट.
विकास के नाम से सर की गूगल आईडी है, गूगल क्लाउड की आईडी है.
करेक्ट. दिस इज माय गूगल आईडी. ये मेरा आईडी है. ये देखो. आई विल शो यू. ये जो नाम है यहाँ पे, ये विकास फॉर क्लाउड, ये मेरा नाम है, दिस इज माय नेम।
वो ऑटोमेटिकली वो यूजर से कनेक्ट हुआ है, वो यूजर ऑटोमेटिकली बन गया है उसके अंदर।
यूजर
परफेक्ट,
बना है।
वेरी गुड, यस।
सर मैं मेरा कुछ क्वेश्चन है।
विनय गो अहेड यार, अरे गाइस डोंट वेट, राइट इट इनटू द चैट बॉक्स, राइट इट इनटू द चैट बॉक्स, लिखते जाओ, वेट मत करो, गो अहेड, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
कल क्लास होगी सर?
कल नहीं, कल तो सैटरडे दोस्त, मंडे, वी विल मीट ऑन
ओके,
मंडे 8 a.m.
या ओके,
Okay,
थैंक यू।
cool, cool. Guys, whoever has the office, you want to leave, you can leave. जा सकते हो बिल्कुल. Okay, let me upload the recording, guys. Okay, that is very important question. क्योंकि some students will say, sir, where is the recording? Let me upload it right away in front of you. Okay, this is the Cloud DevOps of website. Okay, I am taking the day 2 का link लिया मैंने, यहाँ से day 2 का link लिया. Okay, and I am going into my website. मैं अपनी website के अंदर आ रहा हूँ. You will get the direct link also. You don't have to worry. Okay, सारे links मैं खुद दे दूंगा. Okay, एंड हियर आई एम कमिंग इनटू द लैंडिंग कोर्स बिल्डर। ओके, और यहाँ पे मैं अपना डे 2 का रिकॉर्डिंग अपलोड कर रहा हूँ, डे 2 वीडियो। ओके, यूट्यूब, इट इज अवेलेबल ऑन यूट्यूब, यूट्यूब का लिंक डाला मैंने, यूट्यूब का लिंक, और यहाँ पे लिख दिया डे 2 ऑटोमेटिक। तो डे 2 वीडियो केम हियर। सर पीपीटी, यस पीपीटी 1 मिनट में दे रहा हूँ, नो नीड टू वरी। ओके, ये रहा, आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग, डाउनलोड द पीपीटी। पीपीटी भी मैंने दे दिया है। ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड अवर एलएमएस सिस्टम, ये हमारा एलएमएस सिस्टम है। ओके, इसके अंदर यू विल गेट ऑल द 55 days पीपीटी रिकॉर्डिंग्स, एवरीथिंग विल बी अवेलेबल इनटू दैट। ओके,
सर ये
नाउ
आपका
यस,
एडब्ल्यूएस पे कि किस पर है ये आपका एलएमएस?
सब कुछ एडब्ल्यूएस पर, एडब्ल्यूएस 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 सब कुछ, एवरीथिंग इज एडब्ल्यूएस। ओके, उसका यूआई बना रखा है। ओके, वी हैव अ वेरी गुड यूआई। ओके, अपलोड, ये सब जो अपलोड हो रहा है ये S3 के अंदर जाके अपलोड हो रहा है। ओके, कूल, एंड देन वेंट एंड डन अपलोड। Okay, this is called LMS system. We have taken the SaaS
सर
service from one of the provider. Okay,
सर
और
बैच
ये I just
42
saved
क्यों
it.
नहीं होता है?
Ritika, you have to take the access. आप मुझे one to one बोल दो. Okay, message to एकता. That's it.
ओके।
Cool. So guys, see here. Yes, PPT and recording has been uploaded into your module one tab. That's it. Cool.
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था।
Go ahead.
सर मैं ये बोल रहा था, आपने बोला वेबसाइट डिप्लॉय करने के लिए डॉकर यूज करने के लिए, क्या आईआईएस पे
हम
नहीं
सिखाएंगे,
डिप्लॉय
अरे
कर
मैं
सकते?
सिखाऊंगा, अभी मैं सिखाऊंगा, मैंने अभी रुक जाओ, अभी रुक जाओ, कल पढ़ते हैं उसके बाद। ओके,
सर वो
पहले पढ़ ले।
एक्चुअली क्लियर कर देते ना, नहीं तो दिमाग में घूमता रहता है मेरे।
चलो बोल दो, अरे बोल दो बोल दो बोल दो बोल दो, यस गो
मैं
ahead.
बोल रहा था डॉकर को विंडोज पे भी रन कर सकते हैं सर, या लिनक्स की जरूरत है?
See, the best performance will come with the Linux, but we can run into the Docker as well.
तो
Okay,
अगर एक
performance will be better
वेबसाइट
into the Linux.
वेबसाइट रन करना है तो डॉकर ही जरूरत है, या लिनक्स के अंदर भी एक वेबसाइट तो रन कर सकते हैं? डॉकर की
डायरेक्ट
क्या
रन कर
जरूरत है?
सकते हो वेबसाइट के अंदर। सी, वेबसाइट के अंदर you can install the web server and you can do it, but it will be very difficult.
ओके,
Okay,
बट वी कैन डिप्लॉय द मल्टीपल वेबसाइट ना विद इन अ सर्वर।
yes, definitely,
नो
बिल्कुल
नीड।
बिल्कुल, yes, बिल्कुल करेंगे करेंगे विनय, yes, definitely we can deploy multiple website, yes.
ओके सर, आपके सेशन का एक चीज अच्छा लगा सर, आपने वो बेसिक बहुत अच्छा से आपने क्लियर किया। मैं और भी एक जगह से मैंने पढ़ा था डेवऑप्स, बट हमें ऊपर ऊपर मालूम है सर, बट बेसिक जो
अभी तो हम
आपने
DevOps
क्लियर किया
स्टार्ट
ना,
ही नहीं करा, सी, we have not
आपने
started DevOps.
आपने बेसिक जो बताया ना सर, मुझे अच्छा लगा कि हाँ यार ये सब छोटी छोटी चीजें मुझे नहीं मालूम था, थ्योरी में मैं स्टक हो जाता था कई बार।
विनय, तुम दुबई में हो पता है, तुम्हारा बैकग्राउंड दुबई का लगा है, करेक्ट, तुम्हारे पास तो एक इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर है, तुम ऐसा कैसे बोल सकते हो नहीं पता है, पता होना चाहिए सब कुछ, ठीक है।
आपको
Hi,
Cool.
Vikas sir, Rohit, one question. Actually,
रोहित
that
आ जा यार,
Google
रोहित
account,
कैमरे पे आओ, रोहित कम अप ऑन कैमरा, रोहित कैमरे पे आओ, मजा नहीं आता बिना कैमरे के।
बिना कैमरे
गाइस
के
कम अप
मजा।
ऑन कैमरा।
Okay,
हाँ
okay.
यस, अब बोलो,
Actually,
आ रहा
I
है।
actually I have created my Google account, but it's asking for verify and like
करो
that
वेरीफाई करो, यस। अभी नहीं बोला ना, आई हैव
verify.
नॉट टीच इट। अरे अभी नहीं बनाना, चलो यू
नहीं
क्रिएटेड
वो
तो वेरीफाई कर लो, ऑटो पे विल कम, तो यू हैव टू इनेबल इट, अदरवाइज ट्यूसडे
auto पे मैंने
मंडे क्लास वी विल।
last time I did, but it's not working. Still is asking me to do verify. So we'll do it again.
व्हाट वेरीफाई, योर पैन कार्ड, नाम, नेम वेरिफिकेशन।
Address and all these things is
करेक्ट,
asking.
तो
I
वेरीफाई करना पड़ेगा बिल्कुल, यस, यू हैव टू गेट इट
okay,
वेरीफाइड,
okay,
डॉक्यूमेंट, इफ आस्किंग डॉक्यूमेंट यू हैव टू गिव द डॉक्यूमेंट।
okay, okay.
सर अगर प्रोजेक्ट
Yeah.
क्रिएट करते हैं और इंस्टांस नहीं बनाते तो पैसा लगेगा?
यू आर, व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन, यू आर क्रिएटिंग ए प्रोजेक्ट
एंड नॉट क्रिएटिंग एनी इंस्टांस, सो
Still
प्रोजेक्ट
charging.
कहाँ बनाओगे? नहीं प्रोजेक्ट इज फ्री. अच्छा वो वाला गूगल क्लाउड
GCP में, हाँ.
प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएशन इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएशन इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट.
एंड फॉर सर एवरी प्रोजेक्ट सारे सेटिंग्स नए आएंगे जैसे वीएम ये अपना वीपीसी हो
Everything,
गया ये
yes,
सब.
everything. Yes, we have to set up everything. करेंगे यार. This is just day 0, day 1. अभी J1 पे ही आए हम लोग, 2 पे ही आए. Okay.
Vikas, Vinod here. So, is there any recording available for last batch? So that we
बिल्कुल.
can.
Already we have provided to you. Also check your एकता
So,
message.
actually, I can see only 2 or 3 videos, not complete set of videos are there. I saw that one.
तुम 42 के देख रहे हो. 41 के देखो. Go one step back और दिखेगी.
Okay, let me check.
Okay. Otherwise I created a one video. मैं वो वीडियो भेज दूँ.
Yeah, that's great.
I
Thank you.
have one question.
Right.
सर एक क्वेश्चन है मेरे पास.
बोलो.
एनसीबल का है लेकिन एनसीबल का
नहीं अभी नहीं. प्लीज अभी एनसीबल नहीं. बिल्कुल नहीं. ओके नो एनसीबल. अभी यहाँ पे 10 लोग है ना टेंशन में आ जाएंगे. 2-4 की नींद नहीं आएगी वीकेंड पर. नो एनसीबल क्वेश्चन अभी नहीं.
नहीं छोटा सा है तो बड़ा.
Let's
तो
go
मुझसे
by
पूछो. शायद
hierarchy
you can
now.
message
Guys,
me one to
let's
one.
go by hierarchy only because if we'll start Ansible Kubernetes now itself, it will be confusing for us also.
Correct. Okay, no
I
Ansible
also
question
went
now.
through all the training in past, but I want to go as per the syllabus only.
बिल्कुल. Absolutely agree. Okay. Shalgram, you can message me one to one. मुझे मैसेज कर दो बस. ठीक है.
सर ये प्रोजेक्ट AWS में भी होता है क्या या डायरेक्ट इंस्टेंस क्रिएट करते
No, I will teach in AWS. AWS में नहीं होता है.
सर कल मेरा एक रिजेक्शन हुआ है उसके बारे में थोड़ा बात करें.
कल क्या हुआ है?
रिजेक्शन हुआ है एक मेरा. मतलब इंटरव्यू था.
रिजेक्शन हुआ है.
हाँ सो 3 क्वेश्चन किया था.
मयूक हम लोग इंटरव्यू रिलेटेड थिंग्स वेडनेसडे को बात करते हैं.
ओके श्योर.
क्योंकि क्या होगा अभी तो मैंने कुछ पढ़ाया ही नहीं है. तो हाउ यू गिवन द इंटरव्यू पहला तो क्वेश्चन ये आएगा. करेक्ट.
नहीं मैं अप्लाई किया था तो कॉल किया था तो मैंने.
नहीं दैट्स गुड यू गेट ए कॉल. आ गया कॉल. अभी मुझे नहीं पता कि तुम्हारा 15 साल के एक्सपीरियंस में क्या करा है तुमने. राइट. इंटरव्यू वी विल टॉक ऑन द इंटरव्यू.
ओके
हम लोग हर वेडनेसडे को ये इंटरव्यू पे ही बात करेंगे सिर्फ.
श्योर.
ओके कूल.
तो कल वर्कशॉप होगा सर. वर्कशॉप हो गया.
या विनय वी आर प्लानिंग बट स्टिल नॉट येट फाइनलाइज. अभी फाइनल नहीं करा कुछ. ओके सो सैटरडे तो कोई वर्कशॉप नहीं है क्योंकि सैटरडे आई एम गोइंग टू द गूगल ऑफिस. ओके यहाँ पे गूगल का एक इवेंट है इंदौर में. तो आई एम गोइंग देयर. ओके तो सैटरडे देयर इज नो सेशन.
दुबई में जीटेक का इवेंट हुआ था. बहुत बड़ी हुई थी.
करेक्ट यस.
गया था.
ओके चलो गाइस आई होप यू एंजॉय द सेशन. यस नो.
यस सर.
Yes.
मजा आया. बेसिक्स स्ट्रांग हो रहे हैं.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, guys, that's it for today and signing off for today. Okay, and there is no class on the weekend. Monday को सुबह 8 बजे वापस on the Zoom we will meet. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Guys,
sir.
if you have
Thank you,
anyone has
everyone.
any question related to any detail related to my course and all these things, you can come to my website www.clouddevopshub.com. Those people who are watching on the YouTube, okay, so you can come to the website clouddevopshub.com. Here you will get almost every detail. If you have any question you feel, यहाँ पे एक WhatsApp group आएगा. There is a WhatsApp group link is there. Okay. Join WhatsApp group. You can join the WhatsApp group and ping to any of the admin. अगर कुछ भी क्वेश्चन है ping to any of the admin. He will help you. मेरा नंबर भी वहीं पे मिल जाएगा. Understood? Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
एंड सर वो लिंक्डइन में पोस्ट करने के लिए कौन से हैशटैग यूज करना पड़ेगा और सिर्फ आपको टैग करने से चलेगा.
Nothing special. Just you can tag us CloudDevOpsHub. Okay. Or
Sure,
tag
sure.
Vikas.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.